Order for me da se what do I feed na to Adom TV. Me gidi sa ho ye. Yo. Dwumade we en kranhye adwumadie. Na me amede ho chia me edi amje so ene ni ta kotegu. Obo odi anka mepe. O se efro say mate ya me hira o. Me koso a me kanioma ye ta yo a eya kwansidie ede ma ye mpuntuo ni ye edie. Ene me de insekuo ene ani ha na ebre wo. Insekuo gossip. Se oti ho na obi ba onchen na wo ha ase se wo kansem da kire wa na ede. Nsem da de ede. Na wo ka what's the aba. Yese na na owure ye oti kona ha no. Na wabie wasum hanchen na utie. You know, sweet gossip can be very good. But talking about somebody is not the right thing to do. Se wodi obi ho asem ayantomago ehoro na bonten na wo so a wutie no na enye nsem nokura so na ya na gossip so no ya na enye nokura o what is ese mesi eyantro na wase wo mre na mwadi nsekuo afa nipa eno ho san sekuo na amudie no edane nnome ede mamo wo mra nka samre na amudidi nsekuo no umie na betimi atranse adwene se na ne dey ede na betimi ayo na ya sakra ya wade mu na betimi ayo na sakra ya adwuma mu ede na betimi na sakra ya brabo mu. You could have spent that precious time to create ideas, set goals and plan to make your life work. Na so obi a onam ne ba bi a wo meka amo obi a sebe onam ba bi o ye ne bibie na mod na tra ho se mo super na ani emra onya de super nipa no kasa mra na se ka mo transe na mo dwene se ehi ene ye de abrabo befa ede ne betimi ayo ne etumpon esika semu ade suam ne wade mu nyamesumu ede pa ne betimi ayo na ya free baby atia ko befoforo na mom sa mra no ena odi super obi na wo super nipa no ne ono super nipa no ofiri ho a ono so ne obi foforo ko super ho yeso obi ota edi nseko kire wo obi ano onam no de wo so de enam obo anse nipa na modi no nseko no akote na de otan aba entimedie metiwe se wo ba na bedi obi hu nseko kire me a mesra ka kire o se dedi ka mebisa wo ya no de to so mienu me shawden se koso naka samre no metimi de akode enne bi ada na magima home na mpo mapa hoodin bi ama me ho ensoko esai adaje enseko esai nyoma bebre na mu ya na ye hunu se enseko emfaso bi ani so to so biom eye ani ha akwadworo wasa no pai ana awia we wonsa ehye domirifa twen se amanfo bekwa aba de ma obie wasa na pai ana awia we akotra se dwase na akọ hega to baabi na wo twene mimi wo so se abrabo ayeden na nyedene o wonsa o wa adwene o wo nan aka woni a woni on eboko shota fre wo get to ho sa patashi ba ho ana wonko anka sa tibi transe ebisa se hi na memfamfa anwumi ba hi na memfamfa ewradie ede na menyo na wo twere hihye be na mahihye na ma brabo afiri wo hiam akoye edie mu hwan na metimi de me akọ twere no osom be na mesom de na metimi adan na mayo na mum otefaako ena ansa she odamrifa ena otwadwasu ebosobo koso na yo sa sobo na wo bo no se be mo de na dia atoje wankasa sobo bo emfa bibi mma emum emawani ha aboroso ena dai wo adwumam ye ka se ko ebibi no me de ma bre me de we de na wati ada woto ade yesese obi beto ho ade a serekire no na bisanse o ewure te sei ayewani ha ntuntimi na suba efe ede edi eni ha ena masabe awade akura guo obema be fie ma bre wadwuma na beda konwa mu na yiri kwa ominia me were say ayayaya wadi ha kosi se wo kan ni kura kasa na abufuo ani ha esai no ma bebre akwadworo esai no ma bebre na no wura bi ka kire me se menya ni ha o na adwuma na ani ho am se hwe adwuma na ani ho adwuma ho pa wura no wa hwe adwuma bi da bi otifie onko adwuma osema adwuma me hwe ya no ye ntam frem adwuma mu am se sa ene wuti na anya yie ene e padwuma foforo susua pebi foforo na yo na wotio ya wo sa wo mre onyia na wo nyini yo ene krom hanso se de tie ya na tie o enti wan sakra koroso sakra. Life will never change until you change. Your circumstance will never change until you change. Your nation will never change until you change. All change starts with you. When you change the way you look at things, when you change the way you think about things, when you change how you feel, when you change how you reason, and when you change how you behave, life will change. Do not allow life to dictate to you how to live your life. You need to live your life based on your own terms. Mema brabo nchira kwa befa so. Wankasa sinkete na chira brabo bebe ode wa brabo befa. Me say do not allow your situation and your circumstances to tell you how you must behave. Define your role. Create a plan. Set a goal. Say afisende. Bosome sende. Ahana mpesa meko. Set a goal and take the first little step. You can talk to somebody about it. But you will discuss it. Then trans eniha enye bre na ye bre se ya na ekono ene sa na abekono. Me mpa abon se enye sa na abekono. Me mpa abon se obanyan sakraye o wadwiri mu. Obanyan sakraye e watinkam. Obanyan sakraye won susuye mu. Na obanyan sakraye wo suban mu. Na sakraye bo abrabo mu. Me da se so nya amre hwe ame aha na meja wo woni otwedi ampo nyankopon entina wate moma me na ima cameras osmosis sound MCR and my production team Randolph Priscilla empo na eja wo be kan pedum da mo nyina ase odofo woni onyame entina odofo me da se wodi wa fide na
Adiache ebia memo akwaba meda se wo Adom TV bedwam anopa no nsia kase nsem ahodo ya yato yembo ase aboabo no ni nyine so mo se bedwam so kase ne nsem no de obetie bi ene se se de abata dodo no awani abere pa se krodom no nyina ne se suku abie na ahwese de books an koda chiro mu bu akosoro no a Adom kase ni bi atwetwe nkomo sanso na Adom kase de tudwa se eye Insutem Presby Primary edan no edwiri gumi no kase de wo hene wo hodo no Kochimi aboa amansisi akoso na penifo so ade tudwa se momo eto ye da so yi levi no ene ebefrase no ada na efrase mu nsem ye de ebro futuo so akwa magana fo se opanyi alankojo chairman te ne nsem odi tudwa no yenhwe aba ewo muo na ene yenyi yani emfiri na tade ne mpaboa se de ne wasiesie ne ho no nye no na opanyi wode ba bebu mai we ne nsem ahodo bi na mde so mo se bedwam so kase de mu live o Facebook and YouTube DSTV and Go TV so sempay beja bi na wahwe wohia me a eya frem anoche waba adwa se wafenche mo no me de to so ama eje nya bedrum panifo bubu sesen ye no na sukuu so ahodo no ano ebie sukuu enano ebnada ya etwamu na sukuu ne bie no de abaso na abata dodo no aso na de gare wo mo nam kromu a wani mu fifiri ne nyina ne se books ahodo ya nkwada no makwan suku wura nom de ma wo mo se obi esku won famra no fe na bata dodo no a pe ne wo mo eto chokocho wo mo pesleti wo mo so epebi na ene abata bi twetwe nkomodo mo chese so mo dim se ye bi esku hufro ne nti o se de suku no enkrata na se nwoma ne bu ahuri kosoro no ha dwen pa
o ma na ofo ya kumate sisi abusi ni bo ya dedin ye betua school fees ye betua feeding fee nti yesre no onye bibi mayen na yensu entumi ntobusi ye ni skai Yentumi to busi ma ye men no munko school.
Homiti. Adie se bia adie se nyina yetu nemam. I think that last year books here buy better no. This year price they buy I too high. Yeah, but last week you Antonio Koye. Because new surprise na better the last year you turn na. Yeah, buy atum. Ani akofi na this week ya sasa. And to say bibi wana sabana bet my other boy one year one boy they say for the homity.
What I budgeted for this one, I think I've exhausted them. And the way the economy is, you don't want to be doing impulse purchasing.
And wachi ena womu a etonton enwoma yi bi nso edito adom kase enim se e wasa aban ene womu a eyesa enwoma yi etena se no wohehye ebo a wonfa ento enwoma no so sebe ya womu nso ekutu a obetimi eteso ede ama womu
anoso no ya tutumu ne bo na koso pa nti omo ba no beti bo na omo se ye koi omo kwa omo mabiem ebi o hati sakola ti secret ne niema se yeyi ni ye bobone bone bi wetimi dube 1000 nti ni ye bobomo mo sa na obi ho a hwe niema na otimi gya ho o se me ba be hu no mabiem
sira won se publishers no so on modiano at times on consider yes duty bo ayede paper bo ayede enti me sira won se paper no no behwe na akoso a akofo ma on to me hwe na printers no on so to me nto no frame print books na cheap
na chese abatian bi no mu na emu aye ya emu aye den ama wo no mo yemfi wo no na fe yenkonsem foforo mu na yekọ ensutem na amade body Isaac amoako timi kopie mu wo ensutem mu na woni adesuafo bi a wono wo school mu wo hono mo no etwetwe nkomo no mo chese ensutem Presby primary no suku adan na nkasa bi nhyɛ den ni ho de ho nso ho apapai enkodwa no ene obekọ de wose nkwada mi unu tina so ne 9 de te so afoforo nso ba omo so blocks ene yosum yenu de ba akoto de tusi ba akoso a no de book ni so ato ba akoso na aya ahomete sempa na free bradom kase yefato ye ho so esere ye ebo ho debro no Abraham ne wo kasa die na da akwaku agye adwuma ye otoso mienu wo yensutem hene na na atumi abode ho mode a wo yensiesie wo school dan no a ya ma ne bofo de ho nsem atudwa
sia PT na bus a meeting ni bi into obo ayen cement na yensuso ye pe krofo ni anwea ni sika na omo ye sa piles no edimaye na ye ba ye no nsuso na now ni shia no ka so be paint de o si ayo ashasi a wo paint school ni nyina be paint imunu su nyina aka sabe ya school na be ye fe obi nso duru wa wo sensu tem ye wo ade papa nyen kuro nyina na timi kododo school no ade boa school no ne kanko
enwachi anakwaku agye adwuma otoso mienu ya wono nso ene adom kase etwetwe enkomo ehye bose obekoso aboa ehomesua ewo ne kuro no emu
na de tie ne se yehwe wiase anaga na yewu ya enkudai omo ne dachi sese kokofu bi eni baabi basase no kwesa ndi se to asase si adan nyina wie na safi kokofu bi eni obi wa de benya efaso dia ne se akora be ko school ndi ba ye mbotai nyina ne se mede school fo nkoda ne school sem ebeto makoma so ndi me fiase ma me ba ye school no a Presby ene JSS ne primary ne nursery no na ni bebre nkoyi so me na ni PS na abubuo na school no hango se na ebu aguo no esisi ni nyina kama
ndra yesia
yenko E-levy ensensem emu eye afie twa emu no my Ghana so afo hwe sika se hu nsem so de koto mra se bedwano nim se na no ada E-levy bu ana wono mo je no wo hu ne se Ghana for do no adwane afiri hu a wantwe nti hu akohia se wo mote so eba wo ha mo nchemu ba ko na se 1% na mpanimfo ebubu sesen ye no wo kiremu ana se bosume wo ne da ya na etoso du ba ko na no ye ndra na frase nti adom kase eti hu gu monte so ne wo mo a wo ye momo agent ni bi ye ne Ghana fo bi twetwe nko bobusa asa je bia 1% no wo mo ate ho asem na afi wo mo nso ye momo no frase a sei na edin sunsuanso ba na de aba wo madwuma so no kiremu a omanfo do no anhye da kura nim se mpanimfo ate so nti ehu sunsuanso ne de wo mo nhye da hu ne sa nanso wo mo gusu aye kekase ani ebrepam sunsuanso bi ba o mbema yaso ate na se de wode nsem no akiremu maye ni
bia eno ane se mostly amanfo omanti ase ade no ene ya na start enti egese kakra mu se 1% na omode eden omode aba enti and the difference be also.
Oh, Fitiaropa by the business you and ye would GDA say subscribers so much. Send on my any dada na me sure say san on no.
Omo banka kaka ba business same boom to send your first no. Na omo ba ebe send no. Nti ye after na starting to ye
oh 11 there by the afeti adwuma. Cause first ni so bi kra epe bosia e wo phone ni so na say o de betu so na otua onim say bia o de to so kra na say bia otua wie na oje foforo na obetimi asene am obi opeso sene ma ba say de o de to so na say bia o de tua o long wie na say wo sene am obi say 11 be charge say ya na e ha nkrofo e ha koso me sene kakra
eno achi e na Ghana fo bi nso ene ye twetwe enkomo e de sansemi etudwa
Yes, I will be sent 1 million. I say, Yantes will be Kurampunua, and I said 2 million a tewa. I hear the back with them. Maybe I make us say, what the idea call your expenses was to be brave. So, and as I'm better to say percentage in every so I am what a woman in free. Woman in for many people, and I am mobile boy, and I'm on my because
first, let me save your mobile money, palm, but yes, and I call in the 11 by my music in your my box. No fee, me the music good. Apart from your family from but send me send this car. Em I call you. Em I send him almost. And I me.
You level if you send me send this car, me who say coming. We all there to me send it Jimmy and Jimmy. To me send it ma. Me me phone so there me family to me send this car no why.
Who difference be a
yen free hono na fe yen concern fufuro emu a na special aid me che eye opanyi alankwajo chemantini chocho mucho onokro ya na nkare na oye trefo edema MPP amonyoko na ohene into But I showed you more day, I'm a Ghana for now. We could see sense where I will be Jadra and open each say, and I know that Penny Alan Cojocha maintains someone who will be able to jar. Was a Ghana for more general consumer, young say woman a bay woman, no for two go to do a brand swan or more to a barman on one more hair and a background colors and a walk around and said, and yet open any dress and cranny said, and Koye said, and was here Jinas what Yaco Bunkumka cross here, no Ghana for Adrian was so sabi, Chiana and Wajana one watch here, no Nagana for Bedia Danti. Woman asem wo kan na be wom ni mum ene mfa entuko to dwom.
It is what we are about hon say handless no could have done a better job on how he was presented to the Ghanaian people. How an speech delivery at number one issue uncle for raising number two sena pulpits in the name some feel say pulpit ne yeten kakra anka some feel say the background colors and an entire and so colored shirts now I all over the place into a Caribbean can stand out near there anka
medasi mi gidi se ubia o kasano naturally say open yi ubia obeye sa critique no naturally say anka alan ye ni see anka ye we ni first announcement
okay
into no there we'll take it on board
okay.
My only issue about BB at this and say, assemble and pan or kind, it be crass, Eddie Pan. I will home callers, one year. So, no, it is hard there, so, Ghana.
Okay.
I lunch a Matiaka can summon Samakas here. Anka be by me make up and your man and me bachelor you must have become a free person. Yanka and someone a woman, actually, Nanka, the
GT, baby, the home.
Matthias, the main way. But I'm also making a comment.
I get you.
Ghana for a young near ma, a peripheral issues. I'm sure you most of the time.
And they be taking
center stage. Now, the meat, the substance, as similar to you and Ancasano, Uberheno, near to me, Casana, not if you are muscle, but me feels that you hear party, as some of the two, John, what can I say? And some kakraka or kai, be about for baby, you to say, wait, dear. One say, be knows baby, I can't offer. Dear Dickai, was it okay, baby, about arrogance of power?
Yes.
And tea say one cassa, what by crying at Tissue. Now, share. Na bia be enche dan ko yi na utu aban ne fo wo pa aban ne ya na se wo mpani yi enti se ya no sebe wo hene ben na wo ho a na na mo utu bia e pepe
yen free hono na yen consent fufuro mu a ade ba kwa wo mu a wo sika bum no de akoto ba bia se wo de ye eye bond no e ho nsensem e koso e chemu a dodo no a ho no mu a ko yi sika no kra de koto wo nya de se ne nsa kana kampesem faso a no bubu sese ne nsa be kana wo mu anya na sansem nti na pensioner bond holder forum wo mu mpanifo akaka wo ho abom yensem twefo enhia mu nipa mako ahenu ne aduasiansia 266 na opanyin no no wakasa ma mo Dr. Edu A. Entry Esquire or the additional to Ghana buying elim se was rather domestic debt exchange program no ekɔ so no ebeya nka pensioners bondholders forum no when you want more infrastructure na wo mu sika no ɛda hɔ no no e ma ban enhwɛ emfa ne nsa boma na so ma ne nkonkodin sisem na daache bi no nkokorafo ne mrowafo anya de odi beto aduane ato yefunu pɛm.
Only foreign investors in negotiating. I don't think you can just put anything on your foreign investors without negotiating. Now, when so say foreign investors, Oma appointed a team. I read it when I was out. Say Oma appointed a committee or something. They will take professionals of lawyers, accountants, and form a team and negotiate with the data. It is a foreign foreign a new negotiator. There's no difference between foreign investors and the local investors when it comes to sovereign debt negotiation. It says, yen so aye wa omamua ye boy yen aban bisia so onfa enye adwuma no eso no so ye no trase na ye negotiate
enwachi Adom kase ama na nso ho aye ne wo no mu a oba adwumadi na sebi nso etwetwe enkomo na wodi tu dwase kamia isa aban pese wokun wo mu ne senti wonto wo mfrunda kama wo mu ansana okun wo mu afrasase so kura esanse sika sesei okwa homegye mu a wode ehwe won ho no aban pese se sika no oje free won sem
ye wo hanyina social security pensions ene bebre age pension so is determined by how much you earn emra wo ye adwuma ana ye nyina nim se Ghana so salaries enye papa bia enti for salaries ye ketwa no pension ye ketwa enti utra wona wonim se wobekwa homgye mu a no wa sesie wo ho enti eno na ya hyehya ye de sika akoto na nka afi bia no mfaso be mprenu bi de eba na de aka ye pension ketwa no ho ene de call hospital me ne wo ka say ye pensioner for de ye ma a ewie school kra ma munya bi nye nti eguso hwe nkola se de mo a mo sumu ye adwuma mo awo a mo hwe wo mo
to senior oni
Ebusia meda se ogusu ehwe bedwam na wakan ho anopai wo senka sa abiri nkwada nanso yehudo nti ye sori ana wasori ebu wonu mo so sori na wo hu o man hene se ya na se ebema ase de wasori na wanom coffee wasori na wan peliptin bi angum no na still waye do ti be hu so man hene ne wo momfa na mame se de wo sisa na manfo hu so man hene ni abre neso ase ye da fa akon
yes kama pa
basi ya na fa akon de
ye da fa akon
o se
e botai tai fa akon da nachi ade I ti say the osmosis any efia man kwa akon da ba ko ye tu kwan na ti say ye otamalia MPP afam ko afoko time no ntina say dan ho akon
ayeden
ti efia man kwa ne osmosis ko da ba ko e bribia da ye botai a e wa chi botai wa chi making osmosis etimu de yode ba fia man kwaso atwena no
fi se ja
enye adwuma ketwa o eti eno ana ye ni adoye ne bedi achi na afi ye to ye pono wo ya tamfo anim enne de ne de ye twere obotan bi you know obotan ni erade se kampadu betima to sa anwumi am obi ate se wo to a we to emfa
se de ne ye ni
ye twere obotan bi obotan ni erade ejina ye chi se odom beremba. You know, so because you said just so nim nyoma me dey wura 2023 mu a one maka tro say Kofi Ampadu nsem bi o kagu masum sei na eye me kyer na me tu me kotodwem o kan na me tu me kotodwem fast ana no aye ma me Joyce ayi sa be ka kire ye say ya to ye pono wo ya tamfo anim no e kire da ho nyo bia na ye to pono wo tamfo anim o pasi ye to pono wo tamfo anim e kire da ho ye ni adoye opese di wachi a ehye da ho ese o hye nwunu bi ase iti ene de sa nwunu na be hye ase ne obotantim na obetwere no so o twere sa obotantim na unama no wa be ho eze you know say o suppose masha ase frame chief of staff maso mo yesu di mu go me nko card bonne njire mu da obi a ebe ka ase ma kirew mi da wase bebre obi a ebe ka ase ma kirew ne ebe eni ne o mapa be gu so a obepo no na opo a unhira It will be share say, oh wait, the next president of Ghana was me masom. Was not going to say, na me president
party. And yeah, was motor de yeme.
President party da ben pa na me. Who down on natural president? Hey, now what down on natural day? Kakari kaka.
I say be also are na o my na ye audio money. Me say osmo de bi o share me a. And a sister you always school. Can am hwene me. Oh, and who can I need to claim it?
Yeah, you need to take it. Yeah, you know, as I'm Padu, no, all tap into that, you know.
Yes, necessary.
Bistro, yes, I will be in a cab way. Wono, also on a papa so because also on offer. And what?
Did I hear now what down?
Oh, when you might say, why never catch us offer? Catch a one who say, me, Cobnas.
In fact, I'm handsome.
That me too much.
Me nice.
So no one can be on one dia. Obi enu obeka hwe achiro. We osum guy supposed the t-shirt ya wan here. Onim say wan. Usi ba akwa na ne kon atia to say tab. Onim say ofa na kantamanto. But o share we no oba. Onu aka just wow.
The vim and the energy.
Ya atade jawo. Onu anim say ya atade de. Onyame ni mi ba o say jawo. You know to me srem madaroma. Mo amo hihye mo hu nkran. Me mo obi hihye hu nkran. Untimi obi ntimi mo oni ngie. Who now bit mama one case when you imagine. What I say?
No, my, and also interest in no one essay.
Debbie, who know who's really so yet. And Pedro and wow, no, who knows the whole Syria. I don't know, and I'm Peduking. Why not careful pay a aqua dam? You don't know.
And you may was away and yet not so fast from now. No, me is jet. Now go soon know who now was they make you jet. Could she? But wait to make you bra, what shall I say? Now, one, I'm more now, Bob Brown, now, two and more a trail say, a do cost some pimpers. Be anywhere in Yamayona. And a baby that my cow say, baby, a floor Nazareth, no must be plenty me free home. Baby, I know my papa to me free home. Yes.
That is it. And you know, where the Gidiana Monturi, I say, who say, who two are in Numaka. Gidiana Monturi. Do baby, I will change music master. Uri kikaso msi ya.
Sana wona wanya. Yenye ho abutre wat Welbeck. Yenye ho abutre.
Na me adma kwasi ada so ye Welbeck Kofi Ampedu the birthday. Ampedu Kofi Welbeck and the birthday. And I say Kofi Ampedu Welbeck the birthday. Whichever way, Welbeck in here na kesi pa. Go do baby call pound who chi say onye Ghana ni. Ne papa na ne kasa ya. Mo so amonto mo dia tum tim say won kira ba Ghana. Jene de mo kope baby abosisi aye kuro no so adehye no mesere wo
baby a
ne Ghana
baby a se wo ka hu bi wa so ka hu bi Welbeck
se wa hu ni wa ba o do waka tem de online o nyabi adom ye de bro na maka o se na kwa ya wade enche bia so ya da go kan si nkomo be bro na afia de afise mato aso na empensem ye di ka you aso se eye GTP ana AFA afa ne kasamafo eye yewura eye Ampedu kan mikwa na papa ho afi no onta ya no yini dabi to bu ase wadaroma nipa ntisa wadaroma misro bibi
osi no ya de hia
enti yewura eye alanchemantin ne kasamafo enne ana obeba betra bedwam djuma ero hininto na presidential correspondent no kan sembi na insem na kan manchurchin ma on ti ase de tie presidential correspondent tie ni ene ye wo BMW Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia
must win
ye wo TLC Dr. Afriye Akoto time tested loyalty and commitment ye wo PhD Era Kennedy Akompre ko Japan and ye wo GTP ana afa eno so yewura Alan Kwadwo Chairman eti ye hwanim de yewura Jogati edi beba ene omo maka ka hono nyina yewura Boache Jako yewura Danimu ye hwanim de omo nyina de beba na bieti mako anochwa ba de so odi na odi asem dada we de nya fe na be dia dance akasa bebre bebia na no da esi bronya ebo bronya pata uhu hawa oti di asato dwom kama afia atwami uhu hawa betina ha nkranchen so de man eno achi mpo atwa ne akutia ho nsem afei ebiro to pro so ohwe yanim na ohwe se yanim sekurufo no oyiye free party oyeye yanim ni nyina no eboa wo ni nyina eboa so atase se ne ko bayi na se ya yiye mu ni nyina eboa ana afei so misraw me kan we nyina me ka sisu se bia na ene nifa so enkodi hu yaw se se dem sini ni tie pa nkofa ho abufu we bia no ko onim because me a me ti hey amene ne ko ba se ya twere obo time bi kra no o de awmani edi mi sraw fufuo party ba so Sunday we are
say what they were the
oyemini ya to safre obi
ade na me be me ka che o say eni je fam ko nkasa na nkombre menam
eje
wan fa na bia
big one it will papers so online on DVLA interdicts 4 staff implicated in money over human lives documentary where you know corruption watch no you Adom TV Adom FM yeah oh good wow who should so na bantempa me mo so ma tro mo say mo fa fu you know mo ntimi hwe de koso na so DVLA jumekuru me say mo nya hwe ya ka and I like the step bold step no mo taking
yes
impendo do na so bi break ko ye nhwemu ba na jumekuru na nhwemu form no bo say no mo to jeje mu sana but wait there quickly last week na me say Adom FM4 and this come way by and they've acted on it DVLA interdicts 4 staff implicated in money over human lives documentary ya damase ba mo nye fair nhwemu
necessary
obi wo hana wan ko to bo ase ankoye na esa se ohun ya na afi wakosum ni
Rambo style na be ase
ye fair nhwenji fonyini ni bi na edada ha ya ede kire woko eye Adom FM online na obo se sa na man nyina ho nti mesremo ane adwuma ho na ade bi e ka na sichi bi a emu ama Ghana na adwuma kori nya mfa so twe firi ho obi aka tua ni ho asu ni di anachi wa be ka na katua ho asema kire wa me ka me di a kire wa ye miemia so saa ye miemia so saa wadaroma eti men koye nioma bia ede animguase ni fi ba tare wo ho oni wabusua na afia koye generational ye bold ya say we na wo DVLA oko wi ayi bibibi na ayi bibibi mesre wa wadaroma eti hwey headmaster shot in the eye while easing himself in the bush at and they were question akrantie was she akrantie sa no wan hwe ba ye bo so si me hu se nipa de jon na ni tell na me ka se kusie na to no di ba yawo
no mode
but nti sa nipa ko no so no ene kwa de em giri se Ghana for do na efiu me pese me ya no be because osmo dia ya kran se wakoto obi wo poano ne bo den wa mano ye kokotena ojuju ye ho no na obi jagum say anopem fanchem obi jagum say gri o ya say e ho na breeze no etimi manage ni o ma yi man eh ebi before ne Ghana for so yi wa jagobo eni o ma wo ye ya adwini mu pa oni o ma wo ya adwini mu o na breeze no me si bia no be ya adwuma ma me brefie na be se adwuma no de bia da na ohuri wo na okọ akiro enhura bebiri one day ohuri wo na ayi I am pretty saying the first man pamo said you know time we been my say akakrakati man pam yes obi okoye said you na say na man pam bi da hoboko ano ne abakosem nyoma oye ne baby o dwane fa nyoma esesa na hondo de koye no wa ji na bi oh the jonzi bi sabo yes bi sabo na we kwa de baby ya ma baby se fa di juma osimi pe baby a breeze no you know honestly o pe baby a nyame abode obetima sa de koso one day kakahin o zede ni so mo abo se wiase enye easy na afi wo na wa semestre se asuban na asuban fun asuban tantan ya Ghana nko na mpoano no ye de ada ne bia e di jai na it's very shameful who did you prepare breakfast
na okro border na free Ghana ra Togo
yeah
Togo heya o
said
ya mpona no tie ni nkube o madrid Ghana de ofitin ya na politin bag ma wakwa ba
okay so oba entertainment so nana banso akasa
we se ntare bebre na wo hye no wonto nti baburu no a muhu ye ntare na ba me de meto but ono de so wonto nti no don't be fool
Mr. Madam futuo kese odi ma enyina ye kan ana abrabo no enkohwe obi die so no
ma pressure mfa wo sa
enkohwe obi die so wadaro ma de bia me ka kire because eya abrabo a wo bo eya akwantuo anu ana pedu abon to fa won say o de asa onim sansa ajete showa eneni nyenye otimi sa break dance me koya mfom so say me kosa break dance jam ajom ko fa eye hawa kumisi ambulance be 7 e ba be sisa me kogu be ni basa me sraw sawasa me ko elwa say me ko training me afa na ma start am ye training o de me ko tere my training be 17 years na me am free elwa kan nantenko ayi run about be no sunu kra free was en kra dankwa mimi free da yan free e wakọ dankwa if dankwa e mesin emra airport there roundabout no ye free ho ansa ne aba e waka be start training proper and yeah minia me consider me ye da be yana da ala dia na mpo yase
me ma bi
da bi da bi manko hey da we ka be ko na kana no ye training na ama na gaza no over 60 years no ne ho odin se bo na ohwe ye koda e ho sa na fi dey start training proper we dey head my papa no buy o show the necessary o yam I'll chop your stomach na here and there
me wa hade
me mfa we movie na me kwa me mabi
kuzie bi
people say ni me say no say
enkwata no about daily graphic near the big one say big fatalities down 20% lowest in 20 years we say the won komo bena pa on say you started red so master gina on say accident be na sine you kada riders no but nam ye education ye kono mo kasa they say red ne so a omu gina enti accident no above from what the 2022 the to 2021 ho a we so omu say above from 20% here the statistics ni nyina no e ma wo mo e wo ye kasebo eso we so say boost for local content mining investment receipts reach $10 billion Martin Ayisi kwanche for Panyirima Minerals Commission no che say omo de ne ma hodo egu akwa mu asese yesika kokko etunu wo ma yimu no kwa na ho mfaso no kosho we makan ho asem wo kase no retirees call for debt exchange exemption omo chema ye pensioners fund no sikasem no abosre omo sre omo de ne 266 omo na ho no mba akokora bo merewa omo didi ho nti aban na hwere wan fo omo ankwa nkɔhye ase Ghanaian Times the big one aboso eno wa na wo Ghanaian Times and the picture ne da ha no kama so ukura bi abehu say na tie yisi na the picture eda ho no na CEO de ema Minerals Commission no daily guide nie reshuffle looms agric minister is on so okokora
reshuffle dey say aka wan say
na ya kan say after do na so obe ya ye twen no
baka kire mo say by 14 na betu kwan kwasi that's why before 14 ta juada no meye because list if you ho na buy
juada wo be
yeah so wanya meye so either say okodi 10 days either say obeye ansa na wako ana say okoduru ho a odu ya de chi oda home ya na wo de amane yen na ya kenkan wo ha nya sa de a meye me de juada
wow be
because ye hu awie yenim nipa ebe wurewurem ne emma omo ma mienu fufuro mo sabem na asoafo me enso omo kɔgye omo home na ebinim hye ese omo kɔ different ministries baka cho say nipa bi ti say KT Hammond omo din ne namu nipa bi ti say Duka substantive minister omo so din ne namu Area John Bodo omo so din ne namu nipa bi ma mienu bi so surprising but omo ye emma omo bonde mo aso ani omo namu baka cho say probability e be yi hawa akɔ asoe fufuro no so ye very high iti no wo na wan kan Ejuada ye beto abodi.
Say how we ne manfo so omu hia wo no aho.
I don't trouble Ojina hey and they
incoming chief of staff
at the presidency minister of state we say betim the mayi di ne makoso.
Amamea o ka meye ne kan.
Don't tiasia no akɔhyepo. No say ye di abasobode ni mpege ma obi now the ote ho na wo mu na wonim kusua wonim na wa ni kusu no e be kusua kan wonim asi.
Na afia mankwa so health minister
they're in charge of drugs now.
Yes.
I was open agenda
man.
And me go jina social.
Wow. Yeah, got a new crusading guide. Minerals Commission has said the different one. We should do one come free Jordan. Genza deal.
That's a Genza. Also energy ministry for the Krataba. Now Ghana gas for the Krataba. Eti dia ye ne se ebasa untia obia obomodia koji nimdie utia afanu ni wie na waji nimdie na pa ahwe Dr. Ben Asante so ahwe na fi wona omo ye independent omo nimde e wo san ko
nyina obia fa no
na wasaji se ne uwie a na watima be kan wonsem ti de maye ne se wuku ada nyame de che ya de fa gensa ho bia de Ghana gas ka de energy ministry ka de won so ye independent and nimde for no so ka no
Nina ababetum okay ejina say ne mesro make time na o man hele betina sana fe so far economy times the same thing na
na ofutu ne betwa to na fe ye pege mu ni akọ ye na o ka kire
abusua ye kọ na de mdi jam won se ebia na wo ye adwuma ebia na osikasem ate akwachi kakra ye free afefo frase e bia se de wususu se opese wunya no no nye sa no wanya no me pa cha kai se to de bia eye nyame de yekosie na brepem no wo ye pi
to de bia
e ma oba mu bebre
to de bia
e bia na nyame de wakosie
amen
e brepem no obeyi wa pi
nyame ye pi brepem na nyame ya sha chire ho ba cha
odi pi
e de si ha e do bi bia se.
Right, fantastic morning. I was doing some work about Mrasso. You're just some course work with you. Somebody be brave. Yes, a fantastic out here. OneExpert.com. Yes, yeah, I didn't some idea, bro. OneExpert and the matches on rank for this car. So DB, the panzer, G-Fast Mesha. So you dry, Badwam, ma, a gentleman. So ne mima, a gentleman. So a G-Fast Mesha. Now set him on gel and roll on. And also, yeah, the A2 pain beer. Ade afio nyuma kwena de sia konkon ya je ho bamba ne yo kejuana kasani Erica Siri body be sha se de feed the Carabao Cup enra match se ba so yes na ultimu se ade no na enra de na ebede Man City prayer Southampton chene bono ka mienu a want to me antie sanso na akopi mu Wolves Northern Forest game ni ma Northern ene Wolves se bo ahwe no City prayer bia yes obete kan hala mo be na mu Barcelona fantasy next round of the competition Northern Forest and in Manchester United na dey apem so na face Southampton in Newcastle dey apem so nyina ba so on the 24th of January Shannon so half mami we here the Carabao Cup and the matches be so but one of them Fulham ni Chelsea anyway EPL game is here EPL for ni yidifio te be hese na be si akọ na ya ka Chelsea ho nsem ono omo a new signing Joao Felix waba ebe bolon kakra ne ade a wo se na ni age sa waba Chelsea Felix na Warrior Bossa no about the Encopium the Spanish Super Cup semi-final and Real Madrid did not so I qualify for the final and when Valencia na dey pim so 1-1 on boy Madrid winning 4-3 on penalties and Barcelona and Real Betis and the Ebony Sharon Safame now Encopium our League 1 and matches Barcelona Messi actually say he's back and ra obodjuma papa against Angers Strasbourg ni lan about 2-2 na Clermont-Foot ball ran by 2-0 and also na Alede Seido and so jinemu amo ewini 2-0 but yanko Real Madrid game no senesi koe no ne dey course so across Europe and ra matches no Shaden so afame na Coupe de France so e course ni ade na mom Shaden so say OneExpert.com and I will bet you this kadia go boto menjeja ho go na you are leaving yourself don't leave yourself foundation nipa answer OneExpert.com if you want a young man here also na the communications director at the Ghana Football Association Henry Asante Chum na then somewhere to dwa say ye call World Cup no sika ye nya no FIFA mfa mai but omo plan de omo de bed da person mu si 4-star hotel or pram na ya na teams ahodo no champion match ko champion woni tini ade but scan de enya meduye.
Okay. Now, me ba World Cup money no.
Yeah.
I want to know.
Am I? No.
Okay. So all the money will come to the Football Association.
Yes.
Then I'm planning say mo this kind of year.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, because my question is born out of past experience.
Sometimes
can buy you find you World Cup 3 you need legacy we be
but I am glad the minister was on the floor of parliament recently to say we'll have our own legacy project. Because Sewako World Cups 3 now there is nothing to put a finger on to be very honest. With the exception of 2006, I buy Uranyantachi and they are buying Echo Benkrumu. Then the ministry decided, say, okay, I buy Espendiska into Yetise, Monsomomfase, and could develop football. For which reason they use the money to purchase cars, pickups, Emma RFS. And then they also built on the capacity and the secretariat or regional football association 10. That is the only benefit football has derived from the World Cup participation.
Yes.
Right, Henry Asante Chum Nensema. What are you two dra? And no, na yemfio ni enkopiemu the Ghanaian Premier League match day 12 and Ramatema Kumasi Asante Kotoko etchen draw ne Tamale City wa Leo Mahama Sports Stadium and Kotoko Eddie Kansha and Ukraine own goal Tamale City beteka.
It's so unfortunate. Yeah. Kotoko have been gifted a goal.
Look, it's a brilliant attack from Kotoko. On the counter, I've told you, they've looked very dangerous. And just when Mukwala was released here, he's seen the run of Boateng, and I told you Zebo had gone for the kill. He's just trying to lay it on the carpet for Boateng, but Nabila, without stretching leg, trying to clear that danger, puts the ball at his own back net. But look at the pass from Mukwala. Seen the run of Boateng down the right side, and it's a very, very poor clearance.
Good play by Zeze. Was looking for the advantage. Referee says no. Bounces awkward in the 18-yard box. It's not totally cleared yet. Shot is fired on target. And the bucket again. Babamu seems to be the hero of the moment. Frederick Asari knows that the advantage is gone.
Yeah,
So, Koroko and a chain draw against Tamale City, and Tamale City for now normally House of Folk more beer so much many win no House of Folk last minute no to me squeeze the film on some Koroko the more sham so much chain draw if you Koroko Sebono and Hamza Mohammed or wayam coach or Bojma or Honia share so mami chief fast minister okay Honia in Sebono at the bro yen share other results about so Enra in the league and House of Folk Bebosh and so and Tamale City as an Koroko one me dear Matana Fish and by 2 goals to 0 and Brecum Chelsea every 1-0 over Carella Summer Test 1 Became United 0 Legon City Sakra Sports the Montana and Dreams about 0-0 and RT Union Accra Lions and about Great Olympics and Gold Stars Adriana Stars Nikotoku Royals Ken Faisal Kumasi Babanyara Sports Stadium Omujina Monaiso na Wabane Accra so folk at the Abweni Shenzosa Efa Emame yes Steady Mogel and roll on can when someone I brought pin back quite Steady Mogel and roll on Okai Neho. Yes, Isaac the Royal Storm Dogbe is back. And we did on the 1st of March on air brand to Cuba, your friend Ramirez, Carazana, and Isaac said and Yabre of a surgeon in
4 fights down the line. We are up for world title fight, you know, very, very soon. We are looking at April 1st. You know, initially it was supposed to be March 18th. However, we are looking at April 1st. And so we have Robisi Ramirez next, a top opponent, a great fighter, also on the top rank. And, you know, so right now this is where we are. Again, there's also other happenings, which is the BBC ordering a mandatory fight between myself and Mark Magsayo of the Philippines. So.
Right, there are some Dogbe, now watching them so about Bojuma, and the Ghana for him say on the 1st. I'm the Daniel Lest Invitational Golf Tournament, no, Basso the Dende, January 21, a Saturday, and I saw a tournament, no, Basso, no, second, Biasono, a young go for no, small boy dangers for, and a small gay dangers for one person more golf no. If it's on the theory now, that should be a young golfer, so maybe.
So on the 21st of January, I'll be hosting a golf tournament that will involve 36 junior players from around West Africa in a 9-hole shotgun start format with the intention of having as high level of talent as we possibly can. This will be followed by an award ceremony and dinner at the Labadi Beach Hotel. I think coming to Ghana in September 2021 and seeing the immense talent on display was the catalyst for what we're doing here today. And I think that on the 21st, it'll be a great chance for all of Ghana to see the incredible talent that we have to offer that has been, for lack of a better word, underserved until now. But we'll be having an under-15 competition as well as under-18 for both boys and girls. But the the Danny List Foundation was something that that's been on my mind for many years. I was inspired by my grandmother and my mother's very giving and caring personalities. And even though it's more common for athletes to do this later in their career, given that I'm still quite early into my golfing endeavors, I think this is something that I intend to grow alongside me and as I progress in my sport.
Yes, and Sergio Manucho so could do press conference now say na ebisa say nya ebisa o say nti utim say that chen say nya ebisa. It's Danny List, a professional golfer or a Ghanaian. I also Baby a golf academy in Ghana to honor talents. And so this is a tournament here. Chassis be the actually be PMBR. You don't send bro. Jifas mesh more general nice so ban bema yina be more general na sepa na be bia e danchen one expert us for more discard go bottom pin be kwa sediment gel and roll on. Omo sponsors and opa bia mo kan wa. You don't samurai there bro. Sergio Manucho bana pari botwe me producer Sky say what in nankasa beka kejuwa ne ho Erica Siru body. Bedwam guso koso ahwen.
But as so guswa e ka me ho kai se wo hia me aye a wo be frɛ me anoche wa ba adwa se wa na ye ba bedi nkomo ye hwa apomde ho nsam in fact 2023 mu ne ye rei ye nim se nam ne mo awie ensa no so mo awie in fact hangovers achichi binu mu but after that life goes on and ye be hwɛ say and na abrabo no ya di holidays in the festive seasons din nyina awie no and amobe ne wo se otutu na within 2023 no sabi ya de kase bi nka wonto ho na benya ahoden no akọ adwuma so no aba sade de bia ye no no kai se Mama G Empire ewo Madina Rolling Circle ona ahya matare fefefe a ehyemi oni ne di nkomo akọ ho no bebi owo na Mama G bebi owo no a wo se wo pentade obebie bebi antade no no mo atade kama one in town na wahye na sabre de me no ka say Dr. Atenase na watras ne ye afisem so na kai se St Andrews SHS ekwame mu abrane eye grade A school obana cho BC yawie papers no results no aba ha ho enkuchini fa no ko St Andrews SHS na empanifo nye no campuses no do so asimfo su mankasim ni wadubi ase dunkwa ono fe akra mo atashi na fe takwade nso wonom wo shama obehu wo 0244696911 ene wonom emma ene St Andrews SHS empanifo enkasa kaise Kel Kits toothpaste nso aba mesi akwada no free de bosome nsia nso ni mu a wa start ipie buo no saa de kopem so obenyini enya mfie beye dunum no do hia Kel Kits toothpaste fa free ase yesi foundation no de hia ontwetwiri ne yi ansa na wonyini du baabi a wode mpanimfo de no so atwa so Kel Kits ebema akwada no nanum aye kama na ne senso enya ahoden kidney syrup nso etualai abatan no amoma na mamu na bi no opese akoda no wonyini brombrom no odidi no oda yi a pekedemin syrup man we multivitamin syrup ahoɔden ro wom ene bibia bi ewo mu bi bowra pharmacy bi ebe nso pekedemin syrup na fama oba no sa nwuma koi ene kura me mu ema afisem bedwam so me de esobo na Dr. Atenase de na Dr. Isaac Frimpong ya wo free a Star Health Clinic and amne no eba behwe ye health goals for 2023 Doc, akwaba.
Ejoso.
Na mpombo kodi.
Obade Adom.
Ede nyankopon se. Doc, in fact, yedim se ebe koboro nyamutu yefo. Ebi tie yi. Ye hwe sade nam na wie. Ebi hwe chilled water bebrebe ne nom. Ebi titi o masi chire so ene ade a. But here ngrofo bu so mo ye ntio bia. O se wuo kakro be wudi na betua ne sade nam. Ewuo bi aso den wuo. Oh yes. De wanwe sade onya accident wawu. Onim kwa ofa so obeko ntinyo na abeka so bana nwe sade nam wo mo antie saa no yenim sa afi ni mu nyina no eye bleak kakra mom because omadidi abroso ama ne ema hu nya toxins abadi padua dem de wantie no de enu ntina mo ho 2023 say na wose etutu ya namo a ebema ya pomuden agina yi
all right mamenchi ahwefo nyina
omojo so
am say o topic emu ye de and ebe benefit obia and say obisa how you first okuta your health or this new year you know afi ni start afi no
sir
and you start afi kwan ya offer so start e be determine how abewie.
And if you start right,
good.
Abewie ni ye.
Exactly. Enti ansa na ye beko Christmas ni mu no. Futu ende bebre na ba ye se de o kan no, but ade bia ni control ye den kaka. Because obi a wachiri mojanam for be a whole year no. Christmas ni de den owia no ho bi.
Say that aba nam na busu.
Den owia no ho bi. And obi ana on di nuane bi drinks bi onum ni ade no bro nya ne ba dia omu nyina wi om hodi bi. Enti se ana se ye hwe bre ankrofota yare pa akọ hospitals aye hwe census na time ye di bro nya ewie.
Na say free January mu to February holiday na say
sabre na ankrofota yare pa
hospital abomma.
Good. Because sabre no mu ne ye di nuane bi ane ye nta indi. Sabre no doctor advice bi a emfa nya adwuma o. Because one might be fair. I say na the condition near fibroid. The restricting one nuane bi. O ha no fair say ene ye 26 na enazo kadalo ho ala. Nuane na mu ni enazo kan ho ala.
Dan den kan man holiday na eja.
I say na de osre.
Man break.
Ye man ndi bi.
Oh, arahose.
O ka so mo ndi kro bi di. You see. Entino say nuane no say nyina ya aware. Yayire ye ho di wasabre we mu a den a ye be yare na bre we nso de den a obedi enti se na ye di awie no de be siesie awie se de aka ene se ye be hwe apomden no na ye kuta ni yi na kwan be na ye fa so hwe apomden no ene se nipadua ne gina honom no se yare bi ko so nipadua no mu a you may never know by looking at the person keke na wan kasa no e bia yare bi be wo ho. Maybe organs ni bi develop yare bi. Wakuma obrebo kidneys develop yare bi. Enya say start na wenya symptoms. Ana wenya signs amwo hu so yare. So the be mo hu a regular checkup. Enti wo tie regular checkup no a ano be boa. Obehu say yare we pese ba. Ana yare we ya start. Enti yare bi anso no e woni padua no no. E start from the acute state. Ye kasa acute state is a static ketwa. Nti yare no ho anu anya no hwea. Then it grows, it become chronic. Nti aba be chronic dia na is no kun na be den. Ayo de hwi ye be kan say kwankro. Nti yare be kwankro then ni treat ya be den. E be kwa e be fa time eno so be boka. But safe na yare ne ba dia ni treat no o moka bebre.
There's a regular checkup in Badwam who say Yadi Efrasia or Faha. No, was on tem.
No, was on tem. Let me have a boy. Because Nipediano Munano, aside say maybe you be no draw or own no draw no. Or what day ye and come more bish Nipediano more a palm yare bribia. I know dear say, oh, you're to move cocoa, so, obia obi. That is your immune system. It is an immune system we say no. Say a bit me a you must say there was a ya. You will nearly be a udia a boama immune system no na who den koso. And they won't nearly be a obedia a boama immune system na who den ever buffum automatically. It is a immune system na who den no ever cough for more and now yare. Obi say immune system cause forms a CA or best at bobo wa obenya cold and obet me develop obenya malaria crash symptoms, fevers is here. But so it me boost immune system, this is CA here. After 30-40 minutes to an hour, was sorry. You see that? And you know, mostly, yare beba ni pedium, say bet me at na a depend the immune system na one day.
And so Dr. Mpacho Minchawano say my sorry, me minimum status so it must me benya malaria and basa.
Good.
And not just say me to the pharmacy, na malaria drone.
We have so boost immune system. And there are so many ways I bet me boost immune system. No fear mpo. Wabra on no medro. Nipadua no nyina no. Your vitamins bi nipadua no use no de biada. Ebi mu wo ho nipadua no produce bi mana ho. Ebi won so a ontumi produce bi mana ho. One of the vitamins are nipadua no hia na every day na ontumi produce mana ho. Na vitamin C.
Okay.
Vitamin C bebre wa ankamu. Bebre wo fruit ebere ye kokko bia bebre na no vitamin C wo. And vitamin C it boosts immune system very well. And ti say ko ba say sisi e yemfa na say o feel onya feverish condition ni bi. But edro bi amel say uni ulcer dia obetimi adi anka at least udi anka 4 anopa the 4 area the 4 enyumre sa feverish condition no and wa be by itself. Because of the enough vitamin C na e wanka ni muniti.
Okay.
Because vitamin C ni boost immune system no. The immune system ni boost up yare ahodo nyina no ekofom. That is 1. 2. Upese boost immune system no a ho behia say every morning nka obenom warm water. Unya lime and lemon bi gumu a. I just say o
kokra na wonidi
first thing in the morning. That's right.
Na watchim nkatwa de kakra fra.
And I say kutu kase.
Kutu kase ni bi no
good. Na de gum.
Na wanom.
Oko for the whole day.
Okay.
For the whole day.
Yes, I yenum a yenye we ne de. Yen sheda nye safe sa o.
Say.
Yen so yen tafre vitamin C gibi.
So we tafre vitamin C mostly so minimum kekawo a. And I will bow bia.
Pay ni tea and I know be she obi na bi she ne wallet.
Because that time no who here say boost immune system because free radicals na bebre from my body ni my body on from my home mu no abe bebre. Until that time no here say boost immune system no more. And intina say who say sa weda na se sampe nkofo be bobo wa na malaria be ba ni ade it started like that na obi hu no sa pe otafre citro C no a vitamin C no pe na ejai. It is vitamin C no a ewo mu no and a boost immune system no.
Season yensu no yenye ne say.
Season we no yensu no de I won say once yedru se sa bri mu no. Ade say odo nso starting toy na abeboa ama breed bebre akoso ewo nsuo mu but nsuo ayenom de bribia yeni season na wasa ohwe ni ye bribia awase attention koso na ehwe nsuo ayenom eyi because ya we bebre na ohwo a nsuo mu na be fa ba typhoid bebre na etre esan kwa akiri nyina no eyi nsuo aye be fa anom and yentimi nya bibia without nsuo anti nsuo aye benom de enya bri we nko bribia
okay
awase etimi hwe ni ye
okay obi won so a se me de me sorry me ni di me so ame no munsu no na musa dehydration
nipadua no ho ni nsuo wo nipadua no no e do so sin moja mpo e ho because nsuo no na de moja na ko you see that anti nipadua ni nyina no ye hwe nsuo dodo a e wo mu a nsuo no cover up to be 75% of nipadua no anti sempo ye betwe moja a e nsuo na de moja ne nam eko eba nti bribia nka ye hia se ye num nsuo and unim za onum nsuo bebre a eno so boost immune system kro ya
okay
nti obi on time num nsuo no otai yare nti otai num nsuo regularly and asa untwen man nsu kom medew
ansa na wonum nsuo a ebo boost immune system ni pa because ehun ko hia se obetwen because nsu kom dewo a ansa na wanum then nipadua na kwa ahohia mu ansa na oma nisio nti bribia de at least from anopa to enyumre wanum kra no pure water sachet nketwa yi sachet water yi awose onum be 8 or 10 ansa na ade asa ose sachet water ya this almost 50%.
That's right.
That kone also onum be
8 or 10 ansa na
ade asa
wada ade asa am wada if I just say and it won't be necessary say obenom nsuo bebre anajo nti hia nso no during daytime
time a we active a we adwuma koba no
na etimi aboa na organs ni nyina etimi ya adwuma sede e wo se ya adwuma
abusia nkobo no waye de on se wa akora ye onwanwa sachet water no insu no demu no e wo se onom 8 to 10 imagine em se ukura de no num be 2 pe exactly 50% as ukura de ni ejai won ha ho den so won kwanti doctors wo sere ya no wanom Dr. Ike yensa nhwe sese bia medidi nnuema ahodo bia ebi kwa mede aduru so yetua me ne ma se de ma mi frɛ yi
that's right
ya bibinti bu akro ni kosua oni milk bro nya dru ne mafra bro chira ba mo de milk ni na ma begum wadi kakra say bro nya na twam obi say wani su tatu e ba sa me de dru sa ne ma bi we eni se midi na bibinti mekodi a e ba sa amadwuma na twe ne ko akire ya na nsusu aso ne ye den
the woman say after say we die wie no the better aso a treatment and a check up and is a what die wie a the ohia so be ya a check up ma wapom de ni hia and this from this time nyina so no e ade say a free sabre kwa a copy I think said the next month no e be hia nipa be 200 a omo be ba be check up a ye ma omo discount e was Star Health Clinic branch bi a onim
okay
and check up no so be ba be hwe e be hwe onipadua mu ahwe wakoma obrebo omunsuo moja abehwe empo oba wa wode wonkosua nyina no e ade se ye ma discount kese wo ho a obetimi aba na wabehwe a ye betimi hu de ekoso bia na watimi hu the state of your health na se problem bi wo ho a ebia na oda diabetes ndo bi so ana wano ma che still enkoye but bro nya ibai no oyire hu di asichire duane and one thing aya na sie wo mo na dodge wo mo ne say obi o diabetes na wo treat ache na enko na ogusu di tomato say wo komkom no ntimi nkoda
tomato paste
ntimi nkoda do you know why tomato paste ye her ingredient are the ya e beba be hu say sugar ewom
okay
e beba be hu salt or sucrose ewom and obi o diabetes wo adodge asichire because on person with sugar level because now the tomato paste sugar and salt nyina wo mu de plus 1 minus 1 na oye there's no way say diabetes no betimi akọ eno nti na bi mo nom diabetes no 20 years 10 years enko ye no e kan
na chese unum nro no wo se otwe ho free nyama bi ho na wo hia doctor nso a wo nimde say wo de bibi ato nchen yo say wo diet ho nimde o be kire wo say yade we na wo ko edro we na wo nom enti no konkomu nyama bi ti say meni
onni because on say ye hwe yare ahodo bebre no a enye ni nyina na ye viruses na de ba or bacteria na de ba bebre na no eye metabolic disorders na de ba mekanisa eye kwan ya ofa so didi na aduane no fa so digest na wonya so mfa so na de enye free hoko no saa kwan no so pe na obetimi afa because fa yare diabetes ya ye ka ho asebia mi ntimi mfa nsan o okunu ntimi mfa nsan o onua ntimi mfa nsan o ma mi ntimi mfa nsan o odo yetimi de wo akwala ba onyini bedu mpani mfie so ansan na wabenya de a nya obia na de san ne mum kwan a ofa so didi ye
nse wa wasetena abrabo a wo free nkurabre mu a de bedu
ena ma otumi benya ye ana say hypertension bp yawi obia ntumi mfa nsan o eni enim bacteria de bp ba bacteria bia na ho de bp ba ne mum e kwan a ofa so didi aduana kura wudi bra wudi no
anamontu a wutu
that's right eno na de ba nti ehwesa ya we wenum nyina ne oda yare ahodo bebre ni nyina no eye kwan a wo fa so didi aduan kra wodi no ena de yare na ba nti se obe treat yare bi ana wo treat yare bi no wo treat a che bi piodo wano ma che still enko a ben doctor bi a wo kwan a obe fa so didi no ho nimde na won che because tomato ya me boss we obi wadia so still onim se ka ho bi na
ya sientu
na siche yare no eda so koso eninuane bebre ka ho da foforo eni ade no so ebeba because say nuane ni nyina no enuane a ye nyina di ho fo because you did it every day
sir
there's no way say obeye nkwan a onfa tomato paste enye you do it
emi akakra gu ho
good and you know ema eye dan ya yare no beba enti hu behia se checkups no ye betai aye and enti na make say ye ma discount e was Star Health Clinic and this whole month nyina so no ye cost watch scan free
okay
ama oba bia obepese obetwa scan e was Star Health Clinic honom and moreover ye 30% discount na na de man so still eguso aye adwuma because isabre mpo na mso muhia ye mo because obi akodi ni sika wi o Obi akodi awie.
Sika na hye.
Obi ani so ada ho.
But still no ano ye papomuden.
That's right.
Enti na say mo hu ne say sika na sana ye botomu ne ye ni so atese nwan no. Mo be boy na mo so yimu.
Yeah.
Na maso ye ho no so ye ba. E said ye wo kan dietitians wo ho. A on betu ye fu aduane e wo si edi ne edi si edi no.
Yeah. Say yare bi e wo ni padua no. E wo aduane a obedi a e be ma yare na ye kese. Yare bi e wo ni padua no wo aduane bi a obedi a onum aduro nso yare no be gina bibie wa. Enko nanim biom. Enti se ye treati yare bi na se yamfa diet no anka ho a e be den.
Okay.
E be den. Enti eho empo enamu san yare bi ne wanya. I was yet me educate on how a enumpo obedidi a yare no nye kese. Ntinya aduro no nko a keke ena wase ye de ma wo ho.
Enamu san yare STIC.
Yes.
Eno so aduane eno no wo treat eno yedi.
Exactly.
How? Hey boy.
What do you mean treat enamu san yare? Wa bra ogusu di milk.
Yeah, ye milk yeah.
Unya results papa bia. E ba ko pe ya hintasem.
Okay.
To me the other to nche na foforo. Wo yare bia wo ho hintasem. Yare bia wo aduane
bia obenom de atu yade bia so wo na chiwade ani se wudie.
That's right. Ense se wudie.
Okay.
Na yare no ankasa so wo na aduane ense se wudie. Ene de obedi a yare no ntumi ntena. Ya hintasem a yetimi de pam yare bebre firi ni padua mu wo yase ye ho no.
Nese so bi benya se hintasem yi. No atumi de abobra. Yeso aba mo ho.
Yeso aba start.
Na mo kire no se hintasem.
That's right.
Ene hode. Hode pa. Musi screening no.
Promotion.
Promotion am ye wo
and a discount.
Okay.
Check up obeye no. Ye ma discount or check up na obeye no ho.
Okay.
And moreover, say ade say obetwa scan na ade a ye twa ma free. Hwe ni padua no nyina ko hu yare no a eduru a ye de ma watwiti yare no so ye chew 30%.
Enuro
no sika wo se utia no. Ebia na wo sika wo se utia ye maybe 1,000 cedis 700 na utia 300 a film.
Okay.
And you know se sa bre ye bre a wapomoden no se na wo de chi ache hu bebi a wonfamfa wetimi de abre yen na ya boa na so wetimi asi wodada mu biom. Nse na previously you preachy about a mawode fibroid ovarian cyst ni ade but enye no nko an e treat ho na ye expect de na mumnya no nko an e treat other conditions ni nyina diabetes hypertension stroke other conditions ni nyina e treat ho no so.
Wow. Yenhwe season bia na yade yade ba enim se nzuo toto na e pan tontom na ne malaria tiasim na penso so ba so no so wode season e wo mu common the area bi ne de
common area a tide ba e bi ye se obi benya ne bibia ohome fa ehun problem because of ramana nshada anya papa sa.
Okay.
And tisabre na wo mo wo asthma e kan wo pa eno achi those wo mo a tisabre na abehu ewa ahodo tisabre na frama yare ye airborne
from mamu yade no.
They say ohwa ebra CSM Taiba sa yare we a eye adwene ni mu cerebrospinal meningitis what pen kaya good bread Taiba ya bra e pesi because it me from mamu and a sign.
Okay.
If I just say
yes.
Good. And you know se sa bre nya bre a yare bebre na no Emma says I bring po na betimi ayare ntenten.
Sabre yare nam from him. Aye communicable ntino. O home no.
Ko weda na nye.
Na say ye hwede ye covid abeye kura nka sabre mask ne ko wose yanke asas ye hye.
Nse covid no time a emu ye den e bra na pesi.
Esi no.
Go bra pesi no from e wo wiemu nye. If I just say. Good. It is sabre na ohia checkups ni bebre. Sabre na ohia checkups ni bebre. Twen Emma yare no me count ho ansa nipadua ne de once edidi no munsuo ne de ehome from abone bi de e den be yare nti antwan ma yare ne man san na waka se okọ hospital sa de oba o twan ma yare no ba ye be bo omum ne mum me ka be ho ba se yare ne mai apese obo nipadua no ho ban se de be yare ne ma de a check ups a wo ye ne se ya tete check up su ne mum o yare wi na de yare na ba de a cost no said the tie no na MC bia obenya nti sisa bread e obetimi aba na discount no nso so wa be benefit e de afiri mu bi
enim se bronya no makwa aba sika no esu ahwinhwan de obo ano tu ho nyina nkrofo ma de edidi emfa ni nganga aba tan yewom ebra de school ase bie ene wo mu etu admission tua wo mu eto books ene kohwe se gare aba tan ichini pe books eto ya ni nyina ye ka ne bia na mmom ma revisi wo pomuden so wo nkwa ena wo wade eno nso nti ena me ne doctor etwetwe enkomo so no ya eti se na o tu fu se Brastar Health Clinic na wo munye screening check up no ente bo ne so ma ona de obeje okra so no won se hwan so ha munche mu aduasa 30% na obe twa scan bia so no wontwa ma free umpewe na opede doc prepare be phone line the answer se me hwehwe mo ahe na mo
your branches in the door so kakra say bi obi and ebi okasoa Kaswa branch no Otacity ho.
Okay.
Kaswa Otacity ho. Unya do Otacity ho taxi rank bi ho bi so bia sa Brastar Health Clinic komodo beba.
Okay.
And your branch ni bi wo Sunyane. Sunyane branch ni ofia pre.
Okay.
Bia first na Giant Bank wo na building na mu. Your ebi nso wo Doma Henkro, Doma your SS locals area ho a ben Gift FM. Ana your German South Japekrum. Ya ne Japekrum fitamu dada ni die ni hwe ho. Ben suma bang no e wo honom so but ho nyina no se wo be frɛ ana wo be kɔ hɔ a number ba ko pɛ ana wo be frɛ na ya direct wa ma branch no wo atimi akɔ hɔ na wakɔgye wa ya hwɛ the number wo be frɛ na wo benya yɛn no 0249 200 555 0249 200 555 very easy number into betimi afrɛ na call center for no bejo so and omno obedi nkomo no ma direct wa ko branch I ben
wo hwe me a screen so number no ene gu ho no mo no obetumi afa na afi watumi afrɛ o se baby a ofrɛ free bia no befa no ma direct you to the nearest branch na watumi akɔ na afi bibia akɔyi ama prepare so ye bia phone lines no atumu ana say 03322 ana bacho bibia de beso so
and one challenge bia me person me clear I think say baby na wo complaints wo baby a wo any baby a wo
okay
mostly you tanya cause baby from outside Ghana and yen facility no your treatment binuma ye na your treatment yen baby na no yetimi treat wo online enti baby na typefre and omo challenge nyina ne se omo be person ka yebetimi ahwe omo online na de aduro no ama and I think say right now no you put systems be in place for them baby a wo bia anya barrier obetimi afre say open online consultation ya be ya ma and obetimi aba facility hon so a
yes mfa ho ne baby a wo friend number ya that screen so ya obubo yi ya na say open e-services
exactly
online services obetumi aka ne ya de ya kire doctor na doctor nso so wetumi amana ko ne adu nuro no esefata wo no amane
abro
no wakwakoji
na wonsaka no you treatment and you obey okay because for I think the past year or getting to 2 years you know one of the facilities are sending local amano ni bebre enti bi mo ho a na omunnim and omofra omo complain and say omo de omuntumi mba enti no no omunnim say yebetimi mpo ahwe omo online enti na eno na your problem and abibia wo ena your problem now no any problem because your putty system is being in place yebetimi ahwe online na bibia wo bia no ya ma wonsa kan we do
na home services so moye
home services so ye
me wo fie ana me maame ana me nana bi wo fie na bi pese bra no behwe no na bosumi so abetua ka ne nyina moye
and so ye and ye corporate entities and so
say adwumakuo sei no
that's right
HR betumi de ya be hye mo nsa ye ho mfa ya na ya ba ho
maba
oh okay
na e bia corporate no adwuma no organize program bi na omo pese ye be ye screening e ma wo mo nko a and so you bet me abaye.
Yes, you do breast cancer month na. Yeah, awareness. Bet me abaye screening. Cervical cancer. Ni nyina ho screening.
Exactly.
And sorry, so me kuofuo na ya mo frɛ mo amobeba. Okay. Okay. Yen hwe bia na obi hwe ye na wo question bi. Ya wo de ma na say wa enjoy mo services no pese oboma basoma Ghana fo nyina ati wobetumi afrɛ 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 0302211704 obetumi afrɛ na bia wo question bi ya obusa Dr. Aika obeyi anu ama na afi nso hu etimi ato mesrɛ wada oba no low TV ni volume no na watie me afa phone ni mu na yedi nkomo entie ho emfa TV nim sanse ye bre no esua wo mo wa achire so no edoso ti se wani abre so pese odi nkomo aba na yabo ne tew na afi yetumi eko sa pepe doc yenhwe ye age na ye wo no age difference. There was a time me call me who akwada be 4 months say childhood diabetes. Bibi sa o.
I said diabetes na bribia ye ka no. Your type 1 diabetes and your type 2 diabetes. But type 1 ye nkwala.
Okay.
Type 1 ye nkwala. Say ye de wo. And type 2 ni ye mpanimfo. And this will be ya wono na wanyina abedu be 30 years 35 oko.
Doc meba ho. Menkwa homa so. The guy ma chen.
Yeah, mama.
Bacho mpombo ko de.
Yeah, go bandaro no.
Yenti o de na wo ebusa doc.
Bacho bisa bacho bisa doc there. Ma ya diagnose me myopathy. So obviously then like I say a course that adenomyosis no before 5 rupees some years back and I think that go
okay yeah that's a paradox o say area na course ye na at this point dey no be
adenomyosis and said that ni cause
okay
it is a fibroid na an ovarian cyst na and said that Nichols, you need the potia at the back.
Inti dear ankasa.
Okay. I would dear ankasa no. Immuno. How immunicity that is endometrium no. It means broso.
Okay.
Was said there, your skin, you know. Every 28 days beyond the you call Emma for about. Oh yes. Every 28 days beyond the you call. For fraba. Te said ye it is obi or srown kuye kwa na nya ne kala no no a in the next 28 days no jaisra abasia come back
ma me nkwa homa ne so embra sisi me mo ache mo akwa ba me da seso abekan ho anopai Samson wadama me show low TV ni volume no na tie me no na kasa
mejo so
bacho yenti o
me study baho. The last week Friday. Me study baho last week Friday. And me father me bisa doctor said discount now 30% no. Or also a be or kwanya so benya bia na.
Okay. Asa the fear that na you know discount ni ejuma
discount na fe na start ya
fe na start okay
ye breaki Christmas no
afe na mo resume ejuma
afe ni resume ejuma
papa ya ma che
fin na ko
ya bia
ba che enti o
me ba cho ya mo wa skom ndi who dey no skom kra ndi nti be ba se ni da doctor ne say ano sa no ma no musa ha mi ana
papa ya oyedasi oso no bua de whole day kwa na nsukom ndi no di oyare ya na say normal
ya ka ho asem dada yese ntwan man nsukom ne wansa wanu musio di ho a no musio
okay
because nipadua ne hia nsuo
enne wo kra afa kakra fa wo ni
exactly nipadua ne hia nsuo mposi aduane
ebi won so a won tese di wo ba wo di tua obetu wo sasa
na just na wo hia nsuo
na wo hia
di ntwan man ndo nom no bra no
okay ansa ofoforo ba ne yenhwe ne yedi woman di ho nkomo
good
awodi na anyina bro so no
yes endometrial lining no na endometrium no
Emilia
me muye me ya
yenti o
na me mu na ɛyɛ me ya no ɛkɔ ɔmo ka sɛ me go trust stand bi nti ɔmo de ebi ko twa ɔmo se bibia hono wɔ me mu and so ɔmo ma me no so still a me te ya no ɛwɔ me mu pa ɛha me ame na nte kora na ɛyɛ me ya
na
ɔmo se me mu na ne bi na ahono
okay
nti ka bɛsɛ me bisa doctor sɛ no sɛ bi anka metumi anya ho bibia
okay all right Emilia doctor wahanti obeyi anu ama ɔse ne mu
okay
ko trust kan esi bibia hono ɔno no mu ndo so still no ɛyɛ ne ya
nti the way obeka no ebia the condition be ba no na yɛ something different
okay
nti sɛ or report bia on fam bra clinical
okay
na yɛngyina no so na
branch ben no okay nti yɛhwɛ na so branches no wɔ fa
branches ne bi wɔ Kasoa Ota City hɔ Akweli side hɔ ebi nso osunya ne Fiapre bibia na GN bank wɔ no a ebi nso Odoma Hinkro Odoma yɛ SS low cost area hɔ a yɛbɛn Gift FM ebi nso German South Japekrom hɔ a
okay okay doctor yɛda sepa ne wo bra waje amaye abusua yɛde si nim sɛ nkɔmɔ no yɛde bia nti numbers no egu screen so na doctor nso aboba ama yɛ die na sɛ wo bɛfrɛ na afei wo Star Health Clinic mpanimfo atwetwe nkɔmɔ Dr. Isaac Frimpong ɛna bɛka men sɛ free Star Health Clinic ɛna yɛdi nkɔmɔ bɛda sɛ wo nya bra ma mɛkae sɛ wo hyia me a wo bɛfrɛ me anɔkye wa aba adwo sɛ wana nkɔmɔ twetwe no de aka akyire ɛna dɔ so yɛda yɛ ho aba yɛba a yɛbɛdi nkɔmɔ bɛda sɛ sɛ wo kyerɛ me na ogusua ɛhwɛ bedwam ɛwɔ Adom TV so afisɛm so ɛnie yɛgusua ɛdi nkɔmɔ twetwe no wachi yɛhwɛ ɛnɛ yɛnyini ɛna ewiase nso sesa ɛnka no na unya bɔ obuchie mu wi a wawie ɛnɛ yɛno aduane kra ɛsɛ bi di electric cooker ɛsɛ nneɛma ɛkɔ n'anim nti woda so tete ni mu a na ɛsɛ nneɛma aduane gya wo nti wɔsɛ otum nika na wobɛka yɛn ho na ɛbɛyɛ den bɛyɛ nwanwa sɛ obi adu mfie bi na yɛbɛfa n'adwuma na ma onse kora woni mu so but ɛwɔ hɔ nso deɛ nti ɛna wɔsɛ wonya ICT background ɛho nkɔmɔ na yɛ ba bɛdie na ɔpanyin baako wɔyɛ nyamesi adwuma wɔyi ne ho asi wɔsɛ ICT training na wo ba akyɛ sɛ wɔnyɛ wɔhwe in fact edim so sika kakra wɔ ne ho Dr. Philip Aye atena se Dr. Aye maache
yenia
sika dɔɔso pa
nyameti ase
because minister ICT a lot goes into it.
Yes, please.
And I hope say we hear who training. Now we hear training amount for so momra mesua ICT no.
No tuition fee.
Sa keke. Na why they qualify?
Obi bia obetimi atro na wakan bia no. Obetimi aye part of the ICT course ni bi.
Okay. Okay, yen na why ICT?
Okay, ICT because ene wiase aye wo no. Eko nanim. ICT skill a skill be a non-negotiable and a fundamental requirement for obi bia opese o build a successful career. So ICT skill a global skill bibia ube ko bia no ubetimi di aye juma. So wo ICT skill ukope ejuma ya you stand the chance of getting the job. And I feel crampon so no. So uwo ejumemu na se promotion eba. Those that are versatile with ICT skill no, were the chance of getting promoted. Na 1999 ena me University of Ghana. Me physics and geology. Ena me koya me masters United Kingdom. Na me kodu United Kingdom no. Me konya watchman ejuma broche friend security job. Now, one of the things are now a year requirement for me to get the job. Ni say I was saying me competent with ICT.
Security no.
Me patro ane.
Watchman no.
Me patro ane.
You say oh ICT hunim die.
Patro ane.
Okay.
Na me si me university na send so computer mpo na me nim so. So after so many years of staying in the United Kingdom and then yankopon dia asamba Ghana ya be a success into professional studies no. Ma fa ICT aye project say me pese obi bia a building career within ICT.
Okay.
Esan say eneno se ukra ICT skill you are such a valuable person. you are employable person and afei so krapo no wabetimi a build business within ICT. Now for the diagro, but that is the future.
Courses ben say na moye
me pacho this ICT courses ya no 3 different levels na level 1 Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office no ye be PowerPoint, Access, Excel, ye be Word. Now face at the same level 1 no ye be computer hardware, senior ye repair, senior assemble, na ye san building computers. So we level 1 ne nko ubetimi aba be data analyst. Na data analyst no globally almost salary ye de mom no is over $50,000. That is when you become a professional data analyst. Uwie eno a wasamba level 2. Uba level 2 na uba be web development. Send you develop website. Send na ube build update website. Na eno so no globally se unya sa skill na the salary is also over $60,000. Na uwie level 2 nenso a wasamba be level 3 graphic design. Graphic design no ya be send you design flyers professionally, logo, send you branding and to a professional level. Now say uka tuition fees on all these 3 levels ebomua uko other computer institutions and other institutions now is over 27,000 Ghana cedis. But yen ye say sa tuition fee no untia sa tuition fee no bra na besua all these levels na uwie nso a the amount certificate miensa certificate for level 1, certificate for level 2 and certificate for level 3, and then the certificate is issued by Continuous Professional Development Standards UK, and the certificate is a globally UK recognized certificate yedibemao.
Dr. Yenhwe, ene kwabrane kra de 8 years ka kura yehu so. Ube we say the school was not accredited, me say kakra fa mani ase kakra. Anya bia no Success Institute of Professional Studies no any aviation college, is it accredited?
Yes, we run accredited courses through Institute of Commercial Management UK.
ICM, okay.
ICM UK. Okay. So we are a study center for ICM, and our courses that we run is approved by the National Accreditation Board, and our training programs, we have certified body, accredited certified body, whose curriculum we are using and is globally accepted all over the world. So we don't do any fake things over there.
Okay, next will be baby. Ohun say we are krata mo de be ma na emu odu.
Mpacho an.
Obetumi dia pa adwuma.
Mpacho an.
Obetumi dia tukwan.
Mpacho.
Enya de okoje dia beto dia mu bia.
Debi.
Okay. Yenhwe training no efra se abrebe na fa hin so obi peso oba bia hwem obi hu.
Training starts here Monday the 16th of January.
Monday be
okay. Yeah, well anopa sessions wo ho. Courses na Monday to Wednesday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. or 5 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Na se mo anopa session, and mo evening session for ye mo ye adwuma na bia be 5 for betimi so aba class.
Me bacho and some weekend session. Weekend session here Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Na no so ye was 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and some 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. So there was 2 centers. Baku was North Carnation. North Carnation ye ben Kodesh. Eho ana yewo.
Kodesh chire dan kakra
okay. Uko Kodesh no ma ye people say Sunlight Junction. Both a glass building be or beautiful glass building eho na yewo. And ye san wo Kaswa for mo Makati Hill. Eko nyina no ye wo Kaswa. Ye wo Nyenyanyo Road opposite Anti Mercy. Eho so na yewo. Na ya na ne obetua application form. Application form near 100 Ghana cedis, but ya teso they about 50 Ghana cedis.
Oh, mommy free ICT training.
Yes.
Forms na 100, so men say I'm 50.
Pacho Annie.
Hey, papa.
Pacho Annie, because over the few
when you break person man for Ghana for ICT background.
Yes, because of what I suffered in the United Kingdom. And it is baby what JHS, JHS, SHS graduate. It doesn't matter who you're a taxi driver. it doesn't matter who you are. So obetimi atro no akan ko a, we will start you from the basic, and trust me, until you become professional. You will computers be brewo. Each person and a computer. There is a dedicated lecturer. Obetimi atone bo ase achro. Now course ni 80% practical and 20% theory.
Enye book dia.
Debi.
Enti ye hwe TV so yo mo hye t-shirt na say mo buy o ye mo ontare o mo hye.
Yes, uba ni
na ya school. School.
And na a school a wo discipline e wo mu bibia ye school pa na wo ba. Na me can say this year 2023 obi a wa pa adwuma ne manko be build a career in ICT. Ubetima a graphic designer, web designer, utifie company betima afaw. No ye adwuma betima freelancing. You can be here and be working for organizations in different parts of the world because of the skill that you have.
Yes, my bon ICT kura me be mo be che me left click, right? Is a mo dem be start here free basis.
Yes. Completely basis.
Mo nye me hwe. And one 50 cedis no.
50 cedis
no. As registration no.
Batwani.
Okay.
Say bia na lecture beka say to book bia awan kasa.
Handout wow the be ye way.
Then you just buy. That's it. No
apart from your brain, apart from training here mo ICT no. Other courses be na mo run with school no.
Yeah, aviation. Yeah, aviation courses and so I prepare Crawford ye juma airport. So your school ni ankasa Success Inter-Professional Studies and Aviation College. And yes, I work courses on media and journalism studies. And you work courses on fashion. Yes, I cosmetology. Okay. And these are the 5 major courses together the ICT.
Ni nyina say bi person osua fashion.
Yes.
Said the CCC one time family yes,
professionally.
And mo ye bi o. And san aviation. Person okoye adwuma wo airport ni ade
passenger handling and customer service.
And so mo ye bi o. And na say the hin bi o.
Yes, I cosmetology.
Say wo hwe nipadua no enku nsamene wo say wo de katiri nwi ni ade mo ye.
Say na
mo ye makeup ni ade facial ni we professionally mo ye. And san ICT so.
Yes.
Wow. Numbers be no be here mo from.
Okay, Accra telephone numbers no. 026 220 1248 or 055 321 8533. Any Accra telephone numbers no. Then Kaswa telephone number here 0598 0598 216 552 0598 216 552 ewo Kaswa. So your Kaswa campus and your North Canadian campus. Because you starting Monday no. Se o pese o ka class ne ho. Ni e ma o designated computer ma wa. E wo se o back campus so anope ya na o be fa o form. Now go through all the registration process. Na Monday wetimi a share class na ase.
Nese wani abre pese o sha ase adwada nipa na e ba ne doso
patcho ane
enti tutumika na brantem betwire wudi ne ewu ne se anoche waba ne machine yi ti me ba no me no obi ampre ho mouse ne me dia keyboard ne me akasa na yeye ne free grow when na ade free de na enye na ade free de na enye me sure say mo de dey different lectures na ye crado
we I mean by the grace of God, no, nipe to kwa nipe ni ebie.
Necessary.
So we know what we are doing.
Definitely.
And one American wants them. Yeah, we know what we are doing.
Numbers ni bi em.
And number ni 026 220 1248. And that's 055 321 8533. And we are Accra numbers. The Kaswa number ni 0598 216 552. Yeah.
Okay. Doctor, more expecting part of say.
Oh, class B are only 40 people per class. Now, we have about 19, 20 already per class. It's almost full up. Almost full up.
Wow.
Yes.
They said, oh, but I'm going to have. Duration, you say?
Duration, no. First level, 3 months. Second level, 2 months. And I say, so Kenya about 7 months.
Okay, na se nya de da kopa de se me training ama da ko jusore ko.
O ba school and kasa. For every level beyond there's assessment that you do. So your school and kasa na wo ba to build a profession in ICT.
En fa won so ni adwuma wo ye mo evening one mo weekend session so the ma wo mo a o mo ye busy throughout the weekdays. Dr. Edasi. Ya menshira pa se nimdi akofa no bi man so. Wan fa nche obotom na ade be cheche Ghana fo na yen so yetumi enye bie. Kaneshi campus na se numbers no mesi so ama obiem. North Kaneshi na apesa wo kwa 0262201248 ana 0553 218533 no ye kaswa mo amowo free kaswa area ho no mfimfi mantem ho nyina mo ba mo megina kaswa ho wo de no ase wa frɛ 0598216552 wonso amowo nkran tema ba bia mpesa mo ba bie no so no North Kaneshi campus o se kode a hyenche ho do ma sa glass building fefefe no ho no mo wo 0262201248 na fe woni Success Institute of Professional Studies and Aviation College for Achochenkomo onso wa kire omiye various courses enye ICT ko ba ICT ne de e free nti adwuma bia ye bia no tutubrika na nne course branch ben wo ne ko register many Dr. Philip Ayi na Achochenkomo nimdu akwagina brochimemo no so bechecha ama Ghana for kwa na Ghana for so enya bi e de abowo no entomem nti onam ne no Achochenkomo na abusu aye be sore so ama mpenzemu atwaso Kaise St. Andrews SHS ekwemu abrane oye grade A school ubanacho BC yewie na opebe bi de na kwa fanako St. Andrews SHS branches no edos omo boarding facilities bebre ho 2021 omo na ye de omo tope wasi no e wo Ghana ha asemfo su mankesim ni wadubi ase dunkwa wono fe safia sanwe so akra omo watashi na afita kwade omo wo shama eno omo ni nkomo 0244696911 ana 0207891004 Calkit toothpaste so ye nkwada paste or ditwitwiri won so batan to be na wo ma no enfantwitwiri won mo se kidiment syrup ye nkwada mojadru obatan oba no onidi na wada ama waso adwo a bora pharmacy bi eben wo so pe kidiment syrup fa bi ma no na bononom na afi ne hontumi enton na me kai won se udru Madina Rolling Circle Mama G Empire Mama G na enim no no ton no na ahye matare fefefa ma no chiwa ba be ho ayefese medase kai se yankopon adoma kwasi ada Wobek kwasi Kofi Ampedu kafra wate Wobek Kofi Ampedu ne birthday nti fufu party ye kwa koginem e me de ayo abefiri fie aba o se de kwasi ayem ye Wobek ye nyam sa wate Wobek Kofi Ampedu kwasi nyemhwe wai bacho manenwene ne ho enti no me sorry ana medase se wo ka me ho e wo afifsem so ye mfansi Mama hene kwabra sante betina se na mpense mu no wode ato so kai se wo hia me a eya frem anoche wa ba adwase wa memwachi
Yasaba da mu ina maso ye twa enkomo no so nse mamen ka say hi Badwam on multi TV nti make ka say ye de enkomo ne bro no nkoro pepepe ye pagya mu e wa an say na memfasa akwanya we sunsun ka say enkomo no ya sha asia ne sa especially within the new patriotic party ebra resignations ya sha asia ye adwuma na amanfo so sha asia de omani so ade hu ene omutirim pon ne omususu ye to Idja. Over her Nanodana, era Alan Kojo Chairman, and they can say Dr. Usefria Kotosu and the Atuso. And I feel be a chassis aiding in Comotre, New Patriotic Party, a Sia Hinefono, DNT, I want to say a Breti Semono, as I say, Asumesia, that's all Benting, and ye day to me, a Shannon, some be MPP, a man you could anymore. The more about the power about to a because MPP Munu, era Alan Kojo Chairman. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Nemnyamfo a Kennedy a compre kwe Japan, Dr. Usefri Akoto, Anafi Ira Boachi Ejako, Ana Ira Ade Nimo, Ana Ira Kwabne Japan. We na emuabe da hose bibia ansankemwa nipa nso nipa nwotwi Ira Joga tensu nimso no so etechire oboko no so no opportunity. Tie bia nipa nwotwi nkunu bi de ade omo baba prese ombe frankato forma MPP amanyuko na ekoba ne sia wo party ni hihye se no mo sia me ate ase no
one frɛ bibi super delegates ɛhɔ no mbɛkɔ akɔsɔ no so na ɔmayi enipa enum na afisa enum na timi akɔsi akan na yi mu baako na baako na bɛyɛ frankatofo ama ɛyɛ MPP amanyɔkuo no nti wobɛhwɛ wɔn a mabro mu din so nyina dodoɔ na ahyase ɛkɔ aprɔbɔ fa bi hyase nyɛ ba afedie emu yɛ ada hɔ fɛn nti no wɔn ahyase titu wɔn a wɔate asi fam na wɔn wɔ nanado danko akufo ado aban ni mu a na wɔn kura tumi bi a wɔn gya mu ate asi fam sɛ wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn yɛ kandifo nti wɔn kɔka ho no nsɛm wɔ wɔn nto abom no afedie ɛyɛ dɛ sɛ nsɛm nyinaa yɛ yi wɔbɛhwɛ a na ano da nnura ne n'akyi ɛyɛ era Alan Kwadwo Kyerɛmanten odi nkɔmɔ ɔkasa kyerɛ party for kasa kyerɛ Ghana for ne tirim pɔ ane ne nsusuye ane ne nisuade hu na ɔno gidi sɛ sa kwanya ɛbɛtɔ hɔ amana bɛ frankatofo ama New Patriotic Party a gidie sonko a party ne de ama no sɛ Ghana for nso ɛbɛnya sa gidie na wɔ mu a ɔde nsakyerɛ kɛseɛ paa ne ɛka nkɔ ne mpuntuo kɛseɛ bɛba saa nso na ɛyɛ era Dr. Usefri Akoto nso ɔno nso de ne nhyehyɛ ɛbɛto dwa megiri sɛ brɛ sɛ fatem era kɛre de Japan ɔno nso de ne nhyehyɛ ɛbɛto dwa brɛ sɛ fatem Dr. Mahmoud Baumia era Dainimo era Kwabena Japan ana era Boache Jako ana era Joe Gatti wɔn nyinaa wɔ titiriw nti a wɔn nso sɛ ɛsɛ yɛtimi ɛma wɔn akwanya ma wɔn nso de wɔn nim deɛ bɛboa MPP amanyɔkuo no for now anzana yɛadwene the bigger picture maka kyerɛ dɛ sɛ the obvious choice within the NDC is the former president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and no dear Oppo, Untiasio, Oshe Inframa Ebo, the National Democratic Congress, Bibia pointed to that individual, say, unknown the Bayer flag bearer for the 2024 elections. Clearly, why and John Mahama, ABC Sa Akaino, from the other side of the divide, in this case, the MPP. In Tianope, spokesperson for Alan Kwadwo Kyerɛmanten yenua bema ye ofa ye dihye na na ohene nto me guest a ene ne ebetwetwe ye nkomo de betimi de abo aka kakra se ye bekọ yenchi na yera Alan Kyerɛmanten nkomo a odi kyerɛ ye na ano da no ya bobọ no nkiti de ebere bema ye ho kwan ansana mene nana ohene nto ahye ye nkomodie no ase nti ye crowd si ye bebo saa afidie na me saa fa saa kwanya we so ama me nua Dominic Edua me ma no ono so yako ye kasa de ne ma me afim na me admanda otwi ye mu na wi ye wa agona nsaba ho na okope ne korabia nti ya enim Dr. Dominic Edua yen kota na chi na ye ma ne yako de shede so is very very important ne ma me afim Ghana gas penyipa so onso nua ba na otwida na ohwewi also di nua ba na otwida nti Dr. Benjamin ana Bernard Asante ono nso ya connection ebra onua ba so erade ato sa frɛ no it's unfortunate say shey na senioma esa ACC but always God knows best nti emamu nyina hyɛden Kwesi Mintim member of parliament ono so ono so ne yekasay ne maame ono so radiator said in 40 days you see mu dey 40 days adoa na anamka say adoa yeah 40 days na san hyehyɛ nso bɛkɔ so era a member of parliament Kwesi Mintim ne na boboa nti mu nhye no na san kofo nyina no mo menkujom da che hene say why crowd am intimate Alan Kwadwo Kyerɛmanten ne nkomo no kakra bia odi tudwa na afi yembra back na no hene to be special guest yɛde ne ntwitwe nkomo na afi yɛnna wo nso asese wagye bra nso utimi ehwe na utie Badwam on Adom TV multi TV so yekwaba.
Fellow countrymen and women and friends of Ghana, let me start first by wishing you all a happy, healthy, productive, and a prosperous new year. Secondly, I wish to express formally my profound gratitude to His Excellency the President for the opportunity given me to serve the good people of Ghana in his administration over the last 6 years, and for graciously accepting my resignation as Cabinet Minister responsible for trade and industry with effect from the 16th of January 2023. Thirdly, I wish to use this platform to formally announce my decision to contest the flag bearership of the new Patriotic Party when the party officially opens nominations for that purpose. His Excellency the President, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, has been a good friend of mine and will always remain so, based on our shared commitment to the ideals and principles that inspired the founding fathers of our great party, the new Patriotic Party. We have competed in the past, but have always worked together thereafter. The President has laid a strong foundation for the socio-economic development of our country, although I believe there are things that could have been done differently. My vision is to build a superstructure on this foundation that will bring prosperity to our nation. The pre-COVID-19 performance of our economy, the flagship programs including the free SHS, the One District, One Factory initiative, the Planting for Food and Jobs program, the Agenda 111 project, and the COVID-19 response initiatives are all testimony of the strong leadership that the President has provided over the last 6 years. In spite of all the above, however, it is an undeniable fact that the combined effects of the COVID-19 pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine war has stampeded our country into a crisis of unprecedented proportions, with a negative impacts on the economy, on businesses, and on our social lives. I have no doubt that the anticipated International Monetary Fund IMF support package will restore confidence in our economy and bring it back to pre-COVID levels. Fellow countrymen and women, this is the 17th time that we have gone to the IMF over the last 57 years. We promised never to go back, but we've gone back. One of the lessons that we have learned from the recent developments is that Ghana's economy is still fragile, vulnerable, and susceptible to both external and domestic shocks. This primarily is as a result of the fact that our economy is highly dependent on the export of commodities with little or no value addition. Indeed, the 5.1% projected GDP growth for the Ghanaian economy for 2023 is based on the anticipated increase in commodity prices. To avoid going back to the IMF, we need a new plan, a plan that will lead us to a more self-reliant and resilient economy. That plan must move Ghana from stability and growth to transformation. Fellow countrymen and women, if by the will of God and through your goodwill, I'm voted first as the flag bearer of the NPP and subsequently as President of the Republic in the next general elections, I will become the transformational leader of our time, who will build on the foundations that have been laid by successive leaders of our nation over the last 65 years. To achieve this strategic goal of transforming our dear country to become the shining star of the new Africa, I will, as President, launch and lead the execution of the Great Transformational Plan, GTP of Ghana, which will span the period 2025 to 2030. The post-COVID economic recovery program, currently being implemented with the anticipated support from the IMF from 2023 to 2025, will be a transitional economic program leading to the rollout of this great transformational plan. Countrymen and women, before I proceed to provide a brief insight into the key elements of this great transformational plan, 7 critical considerations will need to be taken into account to guarantee the success of the plan. First, the primacy of the private sector in our national development agenda. The private sector, both domestic and foreign, formal and informal, has to be at the center of our transformational agenda. The government's focus must be to facilitate the process of making our private sector competitive by creating an enabling environment for businesses. 2, attitude to work and enforcement of discipline. We as a people should appreciate the need for discipline in all spheres of our national lives and change our attitude to work. Whether you are working for the private sector or for government, as a worker, you are not doing a favor to your employer. It is your duty to ensure that you earn your living from the efforts of your labor. 3, corruption and petty theft or thievery, particularly from the public purse, deny our country the benefits of utilizing its tax revenue and other resources for the development of our country. 4, the arrogance of power has been a major obstruction to progress in our country. People in positions of authority must understand that leadership is an opportunity to serve the people and not to lord over them. In servant leadership, humility is an asset and not a weakness. 5, passion for excellence. As a country, we must celebrate competence and excellence and not mediocrity. 6, as a people, we must focus more on getting things done than just talking. Ghana is gradually becoming a NATO country. No action, talk only. We need to remember that the use of time is a zero-sum game. What Ghana needs now are solutions and actions, not debates. 7, and last but not the least, politics in Ghana is too divisive. This keeps out some of our best talents in offering themselves for political appointments. Yes, we pride ourselves as being the bastion of democracy in Africa, but that does not mean...
Alan Kwadwo Chairman, and what is ordaining 7 in this one, watch a good kama or chim said the opportunity to number on the new to say, here, ability to see Emma or my Ghana. Yenya the Kasama for medical culture, he needs no introduction about Ghana, a manual about New Patriotic Party. Party nan Kasafa Permanent Comoa. He has a Otrano Combus a BBA. One person make us a BBA, Aokeka, any opepa, any munyam, some Kuana Modia manual semno, ne feye, but a BBA in the power back and before Emma a year, Nipa Wahosa Bernard. No, he need to enemy guests. Nana, Afishapa, Aquabazo. Bibia, that is good, say, Ibishan wedding Comosa. Say, Penny feared you. Okoko about Fana Nechi, na Obusaba community. Nana, Memo Aquabe, near Tias man say a campaign, ma, Wangasa, Ura, Alan Kwadwo Chairman. And then the Maunya 2 minutes from Ku, Niji could be all these years. Say, Alan Kwadwo Chairman, and better, every 2 times a movie.
Wait a minute, Medasi. Mama so mema woni a ehwe ye ni etie nyina nso afrisia pa and say me fa ba bia na yete won ka che yente won ka ba bia na msi se eduru ba bia na se woko sabatika kakra nti me ko sabatika na ma resume na ye fa no ye nua ba ma mia me nua pani madam fo me dofo alanche matin a mene na nanti ache na ansa kuransa na yebi wura MPP politics mo no na odi dwuma bi de ma United Nations a ehyaase se Empretec Ghana echiri eko Empretec Africa na sabre no na enkrofo a ye ne ankasa ye nwuma nkakra na yehia entity bi ene mmoa bi efa ekwan a yefa so korakora ye dwuma ama adwuma no ekoyie na ohaw bi a obroni be frɛ no sɛ business management mu yenim no yie ya enti etimi ma adwuma no etofom no wodi sa adwumadie no ya United Nations ta na chi na odi adwuma na ade tete ebema ne ma mrante ne mabawa ya yekuta ye ne adwuma bebre Ghana ha akasifo bebre afrima pie Africa bebrim prima pie
Sabre na me so me yemi di adwuma nti no tumi to nsa frɛ me ma me ba be ye PR and communication presentations ewo Empatech workshops ne seminars ne bi nti sabre no mu na me ne nya nkutahodia na me hunu senia nadwene ne suban ekwan a wofa so eye na adwuma ene kwan a wofa so hye ne niema na kandi tie no obepe masem na me so bepe nasem nti firi ho no a besi sabre die me na di nsa wo so a ansakora ansana ye begura MPP politics mu ankasa na eno nso me be hunu ni yie na fe ye be ko ye internal elections yi mu a ono nso wo be kire se na ni gye nti me nso me hwa na kire se adwuma saa no obi a wo saa adwene no se de wosi dwene niema ho se problem bi obrisi problem ana issue bi na beba ansa na alachamaten ebema yesi gina na kire se ye bewura mu ado sukwa ko no sha se fi na first principles na ho ni na ni framework na gise ye hunu nani so ansa na wesi gina ye menso me feel se ye hyehyɛ niema se wa wo ye wadwuma o se wo be ye oman adwuma o se wo susue ne wadwene ne kwan a wo fa so hunu ensem ne niema se ye di ho dwuma no etesa ya na eboa pa
alright
eno so ya de ba ko a ema mani gi ne ho ema mani ne nkuta hodie ne so emu ye
that's it for this brief, but the most important thing I'm paying is hwe MPP baby ejina na hwe Ghana baby ejina na hwe the kind of candifu Ghana for to do na hwe nim say maybe obaba be ye free tibia iwomi yentuma pipe see from within your party Alan Kojo Chemantin e was our might no say or say popular na say they receiving
the dikai wo ba MPP mu a MPP ye party a se wo de ho ema party ne som ene ne yedi a party no na ni so a free party ahyese ena yewura alanchamaten wode ne huwura party a free 1991-92 na wode ne huwura mu akopem se sabre no na wobɛkae a ye be ye fourth republic politics no na Ghana politics no na emu ohye kakra wo fa free 1981 31st December edeba 82 Rollins be so niemam soja aban ene de kokoko so ewo private sector media mu ene the judiciary ensam ne de edoso na eba se ye bewura political party dispensation mu for fourth republic no na political parties na bebre CPP kura de na CPP egu anasa because o share the way a NDC e form here no na che say CPP ahoden nyina e kokowura NDC nti CPP de entimi anhye da nyina na so MPP any another political party apart from NDC no etumi sorry man hom no so yie pa ne gina emrante ne mabaawa bi etese alanchematen etese owura ban redu a onya ne ba bi koro etese owura makamanu etese owura kandapa ede emrante ne bebre kofili nom koro Japan nom ne ade sabre na mewo medium nti na me wompa yie ana wo form young executives forum na sa young executives forum no na alanchematen ne da no ebra me kan no esane kwan a Rollins ode womo a enye ne party for na wono susu se be Ghana eskafo na abesisi omanfo na yaye ni se edina ne bebre eskafo so pa hene ya mpa se wo ba aban kro no wo ma aban kro once a wo yesikani ne de sa abre no na wo hawo na won ye political opposition JH Mensa Kwame Pianim sa nipa no Owura J Kufo Dr. Addison Dr. Selby Dr. Safuadu Owura Kreku eni ye mpanyimfo na wo mugina ye na so pa bebere kutekuta ye ne akasa ye nwuma apia menka na kyerɛ sɛ saa mmarima yi kasa wonim sɛ yɛde yɛnsa no adwane yɛnim deɛ na ɛyɛ adwuma Rollins bɛdwe wɔ mu nyinaa afu sɛ wɔ mu nyɛ sika a ɔmo de bɛba bɛyɛ politics ɛde abɛtu aban agu nti apia menka koraa deɛ Rollins kwa TV so masonie maninie sɛ maganafoɔ ntɔ apia menka seminar apino no san sɛ yɛtɔ a obɛnya sika na ɔde abɛyɛ politics na ɔde abɛtu aban agu nsɛm no dɔɔso saa berɛ no a na yɛ mpanyimfoɔ no ayɛ mmede sika fam ne akwan ahodoɔ bebree so no Young Executive Forum ɛna na yɛ mmabu no a yɛgyina yɛ nan so paa woka business a business woka professional a professional lawyers ne accountants chartered accountants surveyors engineers and private business people a wɔn gyina yɛ nan so ne yɛka yɛn ho bɔ mu sɛ yɛn nso yɛbɛtaa party yɛkyi ɛba 92 no na kasa ne nyɛ mu no ɛbra a yɛkɔ 92 election no anye yie no nanka young executives ɛpɛ sɛ alachematin ɛba bɛyɛ candidate ana ɔmo susu ho a ana mpanyimfo no bi owura pia menka titiri wɔfrɛ ala no ɔhwɛ nso we deɛ yɛbɛsrɛ wo yɛhu ne sɛ mɔboa young executives wɔn ka ho paa kɛseɛ sika foto a wɔn bɔɔyɛ ɛne yɛde boa me yɛde tɔ MPP first national headquarters a isi mu nkyɛn ha ya akoko memle first national headquarters
young executives
sika ye sika wɔ mpapaapa ansana ebinom nso ɛbɛboa pa ɛne yɛde tɔ dan isi mu nkyɛn ha first MPP national headquarters Professor Edubuahe campaign emu kɛseɛ Emrantia no baako na tɔ car a Professor Edubuahe de yɛ n'adwuma Kofili mekae a wo yi ni botobu dollars o sabre na Kofili do a tough guy Kofintim ana wo de bua campaign no free Edubuahe time na anye yi enti efe wo yɛ ne sɛ saa de a ɛne nka wo mo ankasa so TSM na nka ala no so abɛyɛ candidate for 1996 election no na mse mpanyimfo no kan ya sɛ yɛhuno mmɔden a mobɔ na mpanyin so yabrɛ na sesei mo betwa yɛ nyina gu nkyɛn yapia menka kan ya na mse mrantie no bi ti ase na Alan one contest ɛna yɛkɔ 96 Legon ɛna owura Akufo win candidate no ɛna yɛntimi win election in 98 no ɛna Alan an contest 98 sunyane na Alan an contest na na Akufo Addo ene Kufuor ene others Malik nom eko contest ye na Kufuor nyaaye ene se ye de ba 2001 enti 2001 no sukura ye ba ye no President Kufuor san ye ne sanka Alan o meye minister right from the beginning no so me boa business sector no private sector no a me tete enkrofo mrante ne maba ye hyekyire dwuma no so koso enti metime dia no so aboa aban no kwan bi so initially Kufuor G2 mo no ye ne kakra na akiri Kufuor ye se da bi still han pese o ba aban no nti saa de a meye ambassador to United States Alan Koye na emiri bi ho Ghana fo bi ebebo Alan Koye du se wo call America Koye ambassador for Ghana no wakwa akọbọ ketiri di pasa de ama Ghana eba ne sen a yesi embassy den ye wo no ba bi ambassador te na ye kama ana waton ana wa sei sika no ne ade mekomu mi ankasa mekọ Washington DC mi ankasa mekọ Potomac district ye catch there say America obi wo property along the Potomac River Washington na che say nipa no
odimu
enya asem ketwa Alanche Martin Koton ye property ketewa bi a na ewo ho ambassador residence the Koton property ewo Potomac me mako ho personally me ambassador edu say bewu a akodidi ho me wura ho na me say hey ambassador o say the Alan Jawa hama na me say what na we na Ghana 40 Ghana
yakasa
ani ebo ni tri so Ghana wo property eti say wo Potomac Washington DC yanso yeso akobo katiri in fact me dan so me wura ho kakra but ana odidi ma ana President Kufuor second year say no Sambra beye trade minister. Na Alan beye trade minister. A free party no ankasemu ede ba bem. E kwan Alan e faso ede ne homma e boa ede na dwenkyere ede boa aban no free for time. Presidential special initiatives. Enchine garments, oil palm, cassava, any de keke ka ho. Enne make say one more a ye bie sabre no. Enchire wo mu didi ho mfa so be ne. Cassava, gine a ye commence Guinness for e de ye bie. Amo de fra one more raw materials no. Aye nso starch. Oil palm, ukodwaben, any other places are. One more a ye bi sabre no. Oil palm plantations are what job in other regions under PSI. At the one a year juma. Garments any export at the whole year juma. Whatever two President Kufu and President Kufu so jitum and ye pejai and then ye be a copim 2008. And they so President Kufu had the sound buyer no. What was a friend? I didn't share back on the man buying or buying so jitum. One district, one factory. And they the keke. Nina as a peja. Intino se wo hwe Alan se wo de ne modern born na dwenkyere ebefoa de oman eye de aban eye de party eye so a na kire se wo ye obi a wo mu a edi mu pa enti se ko ba ne se party fo nya na dom na Ghana fo nya na dom na wo meye mampani a megidi se wo no so ni ampanyimfo a abesene kura ba bedru na na Akufo Addo so sabre no ono so be free na kire say odon so ba obetuma yibi pa e de ato.
There are a lot of theories about for the but Isan said this is an internal party politics no. There are specific targets money more kasasisi. Yes. Delegates. Aye. Amongst conversation at Echo Subini say ye doubt on the loyalty whether a do dear dinner on train ho and on done in the chi and on pound ho and the chi emma MPP among you go. Why do you say also essence you do baby? Tell them person how na breach him no. A two dear dinner na maintain ho say aba party for about to be one sending chimwe binti no. Otro krata as a party no. Oni omo to nkwanta o mapai. Sa asem de biada o te say ko na aba, no te say ko na aba. No kura o sa asem na de ni potin.
You see no kura wo na no kura nim. Say asem de o ka na o pese o ka che ya na obetuma kan ache ya no na me won say meyi ano me won say sa abiri ya party edrum pempenso atise ya ye face probably the most difficult election MPP betumi face ever 2024 na sa ansem we nom ene nia ehia ebinom ya na ya yura ho kakra san say wo hwa na kire se sebio me madwene mu de ensem no bi wo ho a ehu nhia enso ya na binom pese yeyi enkomobo no eni nkutahodie no efiri de ehu nhia so ede ko sebio benin de ehu nhia so but enya abai de desese ye ka ebra ye call primaries ni wie 2007 ehun asem ye nyina ye nim ye kopre so akanti na wom emema kantinka edwunson ene kopre wo legon me na ye gina secretary ye pre ye no abano over 80% close to 80% there na kuta na Akufo Addo ene Alancha Martin ena wo mo aka nso gu akiri ye party mra no nso kire se obi a nya 50% plus 1 na se ye ko runoff inti na runoff no between Nanado ene Alancha Martin na die nti a ema hokoye hye no ya na sometimes na mekan ensem ni bi wo ho a anka ye digu akire mom kebeboa anka beboa pa I'm telling you because Lego asema make 2000 se me se me kire mu a wa hwe ya eno so ye ensem bebre because kwan ye nam so a problem no ko si wo Legon emu no kore enya ade a anka sese ye kana bonten enti mebo modern na me de ato nchen eho ye hye pa kopem se MPP conference ye friend conference sisi amanfo ese congress beto aba na ye congress MPP conference aye koto aba yi flag bearer no armed military enya police o ikuta AK-47 ene eba Great Hall na winim se nka eniema eya akobone emu ho no esi akosa kara ye di be 2 days kura wo Legon obi abre ho na Alan sorry akase say party yene ana ye dia yene ana ebusua de tie bia obaako na beko benua pani Nana Akufo-Addo odi manim say me na medi nachi ebia ye kosa kan round kra metima wini abato de anything can happen but Messi form na mata nachi ehia say beko second round o ma hene da no wo ho a ka be hunu say ye hwe nsuonyu agu akoma ho because na empanyifo e wo gina na obia ho hyehye no na party e di free ho na de ko ba ne say afi ya to be ye wie obete ye say Branhafo obi o support ala yakobo na prepare no party headquarters mi akasa manim ebisiye ade ya to ba wie ye ko campaign ana wan support ni yakobo no ko ye ho Alan de ho complained by sabre no makamanu na ye chairman na me general secretary mpanyimfo ka se ye behwa aka na foforo asi Western region na foforo asi Greater Accra na foforo asi ha yakobo we adan a o support Alan bebre we nye party voni ma make afi na ya akoya ahomete asema Alan kan ni se na ya to abawie na miminti ye be prepare binum obi kura ye pra no a chese enne dade ye hye ne nsem
Alan Chematinti
eya chese nse enti na nka me pese sansem we no anka yenya ka because wo kan na nsem yi ano so wo kan na se Alan Chematin ne dofo bi nso eyi ano ma no so no anka sampo no pese obekasa na se obi yi ano because ye say ni din dade ye hye obi nsem bisi ne meduma boni pani din a kire me de telephone number ma no afre na bisa nse eyampa na me yesa you know enye we na sabri ehu hia yen
na we nyina akọso na school of thought bi so dia ba say a combination of Alan Kojo Chiremante and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Alan Kojo Chiremante a fantastic deal
senti na me ka say sa nhihye na ebino mo dwene no emwa party no o de ebeduru ho emwa kora problems ankasa wo ho a ye hwe solve a na party fo nyina obi atenka se o me nso abusua no me ka ho bi na yenyi mi mfiri mu eno mum na beboa yen na enye some cosmetic
for the camera be
there be whitewashing there be ensem na ye keka no na wa resign na yenye alamba mi atike me say ensem no de hia yenka mi ankaza makwan ne me phrase bi na ne be de betu dwame nka na ba bia da let MPP concentrate on the meat of the fish. Let MPP concentrate on the meat of the fish. Aye. Sabro from me say what be baby.
Na wo person kire sen.
Sa wo fa fish a eye nsuom nam. Ye twere ho ansa na ye di. Ye twitwa de dua. Ye twitwa ne ho ne fence ne ade no. Eno na se ye ya concentrate ne ho twere na ye twere ato aguo no ene ne dua ne
adwene koso
ene ho ne ye
nam na nkasa da
nam no ne na dua ne ye fe ne meat no the meat of the fish na
mo twere ho
ye twere ho na ho nkasa ne ho ne dua ne na yi na ye twere eno so na se ya dwene ene ye bibia ya kɔ me de me sram pipifo let us concentrate on the meat of the fish. Eno ni aduane no eniema ba na beboa MPP mi awini won a epri yankari wo nyina yi yentie wo manu disem yenhwe mo a de aboa party no yenhwe adwuma wo ma ye pen ene nia eye wo mani so ade hu yenhwe se akoma no te sen eyampa se obi ka se metimi ama enkabomu ne kure ya ba party mu a wa kire bibi sa pen ana no wo sa su ene sa ban no a ede nkabomu ne abusua koro ye eba no ana nyese wode wa no kan na nke yesi ye kwaka obi a de waye mamemra letter no so bio sa ne ma nyina na ala no se na de a yato aba wie obi support to me ya to awie e den ne sakota ata nkrofo bo nkrofo ama enne dade hye obi nsam besi nne na me hunti obi support to me kakra ne ekota ne ni sei dia ene na mentwe me hu nyina nkyɛn na nipa nso ne ho ntɔ no nyina somdwe ode krata no bae owura makamanu no de kɔma no first ɔsomae no na saa no owura makamanu tu kwan krata efiri ala no ho koduru owura makamanu wɔ airport de eti ya ne sɛ Joy FM na nso eti Joy FM for na frɛ me as general secretary sɛ Alan Chamatin resign fi party na me sɛ onya no korɛ ana o san frɛ me bio na me frɛ Alan sɛ mate bibi sɛ wa choro letter bi wo sɛ ai wo hefa wo sɛ me wɔ me office na me sɛ ne twɛn me ho me ba na bi me ka call ne office wɔ cantonments na me sɛ krata no na me hwɛ na me sɛ oh na we die na sɛ ma ka kyerɛ mo ansa mo enti mo pɛ sɛ me nti ye prepare nkofo kunkum nkrofo ansa na me call president nkofo ho na me president nkofo kɔ tena ase na ɔno so frɛ Alan makamanu watu kwan nti ɔbae ɛhɔ ne yɛfrɛ mpanimfoɔ bi owura director no ne ade ne yɛsɛ look Alan deɛ ha no no korɛ ada na party mpanimfoɔ mo nso mo nhwɛ nka enti ne yɛn hwɛ nka asɛm no ɛne ɛma no awerɛhyɛm sɛ asɛm no ɛbɛhwɛ aka na saa tae a yɛ tata na kyirifo ne yɛde ɛto betwa ɛto antwa da ana wasan atwerɛ statement sɛ look asɛm na mo ka asɛm ɔbɛka no sɛ mo nka hɛde a ɛnea me nso yɛka sɛ nka ɔntwe krataa no letter no nsan na yɛn resolve no ɔse daabi mo resolve asɛm na mo mama assurance mo ntwe mo resolve mo nso me sɛ me ntwe letter nsan ɛne yɛka ya sɛ yɛbɛka ɛna Alan ɛtwe letter yi san sɛ asɛm no yɛka no saa bere no a anka menyi ni sɛ nnɛ obi san aka resignation asɛm na resignation ɛne sɛ enne wɔtwerɛ resignation sɛ wo free president Akufo-Addo abayi mu sɛ Akufo-Addo anye antum no sɛ Alan hold on fa letter no to nkyɛn a wa resign na resign eti me kasa Alan Chamatin resign I know what I'm talking about enti MPP for mesremo let us concentrate on the meat of the fish na yɛnhwɛ deɛ de kɔ yɛnimu a sɛ aba na yɛ kɔtoɔ no me deɛ me kama sisu bio 2024 is going to be the most difficult election for MPP. Yempeu sa na tie.
Adentia.
Oh, na Ghana for say break 8 no, we ko 8 na we aba 8. Enye mra o, nso amanfo de nam wiem. Nti de ye be ye ne say, ye ko convince Ghana for say, oh, 8 ne de enye mra. Na mom ye hwe de ye dada, de di kan no. De to so mienu. Nia be ye nim be ma no ayede ne ba, nipa no ayede ne ba no. Montie na no disem say, ono so ba. And that's what I say, and that's what you know. Na yɛmfa 8 do nto nkyɛn. Ebinom so awie ataa sɛ NDC sɛ 8 no deɛ ɛne yɛn so yɛduru yɛ so 8 no yɛnkyɛ no kyempe. Ɛno no ɛnya deɛ yɛde kyekyere man sɛ 8 years. What is the content of the message that whoever is going to take over from Nana Akufo-Addo is bringing?
But a fantastic submission. And until na suggestion aba say Esa say wo dwene MPP amanyoku no so be break 8 no. Now the lead contenders in the Caribbean no doubt no. And they say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Alan Chamatin head to head. Inti ade na sa nkonfo me no we no. Mon komo mbom na mon timi ni mon komo na mon fa nko na mon kodi tumi na mon break 8 no.
Why would anybody even suggest that in the first place?
Enye papa.
Me say me ma sense why would you tell me? Why would you suggest that in the first place? First of all, party, the constitution is running. And you will be a suggestion. A suggestion bar, you better be the adwuma. But a very critical, very sensitive, very important issue, such as the election of a presidential candidate. Don't forget to say, Obia we interest. The best thing for MPP in order to avoid confusion, and it's all the constitution. Constitution there, Obia to me say a favor way and a favor way. 2, when I work as a lead contender, I might agree with you. And so what? There are other people who equally qualify, who are also contesting. 3, and your first timer MPP, ye be ye presidential candidate, and ye ni akase, ye presidential candidate, party ni be juriagu. na democracy na yesi ye di anim e wo Ghana ne Africa na ye party democracy no say na we don't have any moral right to tell anybody say MPP is the bastion of democracy in Africa and so on and so forth. You don't say these things by your mouth. You practice it. Democracy one of the challenges. I do agree. But the whole world, majority of nations and people around the world, who say democracy in the downside, in the upside, is probably the best for now. You try communism, one party state, ebia bagana ha, socialism. China for okra womudi communism enim, socialism enim. Democracy money man, omo who say baby into omo wi kakra, even though still omo ye communist no. Omo wi kakra. Na ye ni ye kan say ye ni ye boy ho nsamrane say ye de kemam ke bia ban ne de ye ni ye di animu no adenti na duru baby de a na obi akwaje obviously enipa bi wo ho a eye wo mo private personal interest see e be hye ni see obi anso private interest personal interest enu nti na mra e level ni nyina ma ye nyina se de be ya obi nkoka se ene iduru me so na me penso na mo ye ni see wo de mra ye adwuma woni problem. Nana Akufo-Addo 2007 ye no as candidate no 2008 obeyi ne running mate eno so koye asempa de dikan o ma National Council edin bi se we na mepe se me running mate ye bobo ho na mpanyimfo adwene ansai ena ya anyantum in fact nani anje afi ko ba ya mpanyimfo no bi nso suggest obi nso din e ma no eno nso ono nso nani anye ho afi ya kakra bae no Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia edin na aba na man for say na say we kura do ono onye party member onye party member
Dr. Bawumia
at that time onye member of the party na ye den na prekope ye huri no ko gina presidential running mate e ko ye ntokwa e wo Alisa Hotel na nye easy ye twen ya president Ekufo no sorry say look abujafo masem na mo kan matiase ye nyina ya tiase a constitution say candidate no a nominate ya na council approve but say see ha no ono de ba ko bae mo anyi antum mo so mo de bi koma no ono so anyi antum wasan de foforo aba afi bo se la mo se mo nyi ntuma na eyese ne a party no eya ma candidate no ne ho akere no dodo de to so mienu nso o kan say candidate se jamboa no a president and a running mate na be a vice president enti ono no ne be ya adwuma papa day to day enti se wa nya obi a ono nso I feel comfortable a e be ya den 3 4 Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nso o abodi papa o sikasukam na ehujan sesuen economics and economic management enti no president candidate say no so beboa no eno nso de obi ni ho beka say economy ehia no enti momi ampene so na general secretary emma concession no on sign card emfama no na yenyi
concession to sign a card
yes na yenyi the demand constitutional demand say just nipa na ye member in good standing for 5 years and so bet me a presidential candidate or running mate no
that's Dr. Bawumia
yes me na me tie adwam as general secretary enti asma me kan tie ni ye ana empanyifo no binum nsem aye kan ho no epia bode a e basa ana aja ye de amemere fiu ene ye de pene so enti sa bre no candidate no e na Akufo-Addo no ye ma no sa concession no ene ye de ne preferred running mate man no na ne obi tira ba bi se ebinumu enhyehe na sa ala na ye candidate a Bawumia nya na running mate by force se Bawumia na ye candidate ala nya na running mate by force so obetimi na ye adwuma so ndimi eno de ye musa na no ne ye pasum dwe anase ye peden enti se koba ne se ye to abai na nya me prefer candidate ala chamati ne wi ni e ana obi foforo na wi ne enye Dr. Bawumia no nso ye be stop no se mo no enyi candidate a office ono so betimi na ye adwuma na oh so na me se wo solve problem a enti na me pe ala na asem no yenko problem no ni hini ni mie kuro no yie ekuro no dwu na ewu a ewu wo nante a wotu na enan no ahoden wom bia me kan Send me interest. Send me any interest. I am sure say TF4 be who say the American Sebio a trasumo. And no subaboa amasum aba party.
Not only him too. This is just one of the series because it's a countdown to their internal elections. We're just one out of the thousands that didn't come over.
Wow.
Because the casa the Alan Chairman any swadi no actually be horma brano branasi ebusan but any minute back on a fan. Oh, she come and work at delegates no money here. Catch them with the NT fata say a bread to say you MPP no. Alan could do chairman to the American before.
Yo, my name is Darcy. Where the Abusia for many are no delegates. If you national chairman, general secretary, national executives, national council members, MPs, ministers, constituency executives, electoral area coordinators, polling station executives. Say, at the Saturday, I made it to anyone say, Yempe ubia or what party who done it tema. What bought for the Kessie party, my party actually say a bit more demon or to me, the one ambition, personal ambition, a bar for ye, and my party in Kaboom. Nan Kaboom should dear say, nya. Madam Giddy said 2024, no. A bad day more, am I? Ubia or ye can defoe. Well, no, this I can't beba. The atosu mienu and say, well, beer, we'll bet imagine our casse, Sabio, me a politician, dear. And so I may casse, met me a juma, any sika bar, my chile bibi kakra, a year president for time. Sabre na menye president, na menye vice president, and so my chile bibi kakra. President Kufu at the time, my son so much chile bibi kakra, one day say one factory, industrial parks. Africa Continental Free Trade Center policy amede ba ne se ye sikasem ene se ndwuma no be ye currency dollar ne si de begina dollar anim na wagina se be ma no gise ye nyan hyehyɛ foforo bi a de wo ho no ye hye mekana no na ye be ye mfidi dwuma amanone ne ye de kɔ no ebuo no emu aye duru na sidi na ebenya weight na fe ye sidi no atem din jobs edwuma eba cash eba ye bottom san say kuayo nso eno nso de ye yakodro no be pagem na afei MPP ewini a obia nso chefa ewomo no nyame boa yen a ono so ne nsa aka enkoye se wo soro nko ana obenya bie ana wo ha na obenya bie enti delegates mesremo 2024 enyamre mayen nanso ye nyina ya dwene kɔ bankurum ne yenya pani ni kandifo a owo saa odwo ne akomapa ene enkabom sunsum no ne ye nyina ye taa na chi a wo ani so ade ho a eso kese te se ne oman hene kan ye kire beka great transformational plan no a na kire se ampa ye kokoton ma Ghana fo a wo mu asebe ye ho afono wo mu mpo no o be hunu se afei de ya frantuma foforo biu ye ho aye fe kwan foforo so na o magi atom ni atom ma power ni ehia enti ye nhwe ye enu nyina na delegates Alan so o srem wa sommo na ebre nso aso se sa dwumade mo de mano a obehye party animonyam na wa hye Ghana nso animonyam medam asepa.
Well, medana no heading to medana CP na afi maka say Alan Kwadwo chairman say mayenye omana kasa nko na yentimi action no be. Say yeah, just one out of the millions series na ye ni team na Alan team ni bedin ko. Medase so so wajibre na wati onyame de chair echina another beautiful day. Thank you so much.
Medase.